To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On this journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time, one friend at a time. Yeah, I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool. Hey, see,
Hello?
lately I found out
What, mommy?
that your heart is strong, that you
I'm there.
when you're you belong.
Yeah, which part with mommy? Listen, which part with them alright, I'm comfortable because my friend one policeman and I me control him. Yeah. No. Not like that. Hello. You think me I make man control me like how they control you, mommy? I mean I lay my egg in a one basket. That are you. You can be loyal because you see the man nowadays. Then just a walk around and fling them body. They not put for them egg in a one basket. You hear? So you can yes, sit down there and be loyal. Me not sit down and be loyal to nobody. Exactly. I don't care what you want to say, mommy. And my life, I'm live you and I want to live you. At least me as somebody that me can control. Remember say you know nobody that you can control, you know. And every time a man go out, they go cheaper, you know, so. Mommy. Alright, my mother. Anything I say. But differently me good for true. Yeah, man. Alright then. Me call her tomorrow later. Yeah, mommy? Later.
What money?
No. You alright?
Everything good?
Yeah. How are you do?
No, because when I come from, I be a thief and people every place now. You understand my face? Secure myself. Clear out this.
So how was the day, honey?
How was my day?
Yes.
My day, as always, I deal with criminal and thief and everything already. How was your day?
It was okay. I just come and find phone with my mother.
You know, some don't want place and some people that say, oh, Rasta, they turn police and they sit there like me, discriminate me here. Eh? You know, long in I force. Eh? Babe, yo, I'm gonna tell you this. You see, based on how me live my life in one way where I don't want people feel like say because I have long hair and them something there, they can judge I and I. You understand me I say? But what you feel about that situation? Like, I never really talked about that long time. You feel say Rasta is a problem for join the force?
No.
See, a mosquito bite today.
No, me no feel say that a no problem because we
Baby.
start from.
Your foot so dirty.
You know, say please.
When you say been one place, so where you come from?
Out the door, me did them.
But you can't out the door in your house. You know how expensive them floor be? Eh? What's your mosquito in your place? That means say nothing window from my babe, yo. I mean I tell hey, me I take care of you, you know. Me I take care, not true?
Yeah.
Hey, you know how hard it is to take care in a certain way to make sure it's you're good 24/7?
So what
Eh?
problem now?
I know why problem is like me. I said to myself, say why people always make me feel certain way. You don't feel a certain way there.
No. You don't have to worry about people as long as you get your work done and you have your woman in your yard that take care of you. You don't have to worry about what people have to say, babe.
Me I think about to take a vacation. What do you think?
Vacation?
Mm-hmm.
No, babe. Don't take no vacation.
Alright. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll check my brush on the road on you are going. Cause more if you check in from yesterday but we never get the chance. See? True word.
Alright.
So I'm gonna go link him up and see what I'm going to do. But not if I hope I get from you, nothing at all. I feel like say what? Mm-hmm.
That's the way you smell.
I'm gonna take a shower. Soon for yeah?
Alright, later. You want to take vacation for? So come watch me. Girl.
Me know you well want kill me, but me never know you that kill me in me one and couple of years.
No, nothing like that. Me never know see how you are.
What you mean you don't see me a come?
Girl.
Me know you are them bigger than for me, you know. So you must see me, you must see the little black something.
You just see me down in my phone. Oh, me gonna know who I come through this.
What you doing a phone and you live with man?
On
You
my
don't need no phone.
Why me not need no phone?
Can the man live here?
The man there?
He soon come.
Okay. And when you want, where you come over here for?
What you mean when me want? You know what is a family?
Me not sure.
This house is a family house.
And your
Me don't
family
need to call, me don't need to text, me just come. Me even need to knock. Me need to just come in.
You just come in.
Then me must come in, me
And
a
me gonna put
family.
a stop to that. And me promise you, because remember, me and woman and us now. You understand? So when him alone they live, you could have walk in freely. But now you have woman and yard, you have to respect that.
You don't talk? Because when you say I go come to your son, come back to your son, gone through the door.
Just
Let me tell you this. Family yard. And right now you don't have family because you don't get no ring. You just there right as a few couple nights, you soon gone. Because when you soon tell you easily tell the people.
You sure about that?
Nobody will come and never stay for 1 month yet, so me give you 3 more days.
You sure
Let
about
me tell
that?
you this, mama. You can't stop me from come over here. Secondly, you don't know family, so you can't tell me what to do. And my uncle not fool. What you have can't make him tell me no come back here. Blood before water.
Look again, I don't think you know who me really be now. You come like you want to know who me be though. I'm gonna tell you this. Me poison you with rat poison. A year?
How you think I go happen after?
What go happen?
You know
what?
what? Oh, okay.
That me I tell you. As a matter of fact, me not in no argument with you. Me I go there so go cool.
Come out as you should.
Because you look like you have your uncle something. I don't mean. But trust me. Me I go put a stop to this.
Any stop, no stop, I put 2 notes right as you moving out. And if a body please, my uncle. Who you man?
Smoking is damaging my brain cells.
Oi there! Come here.
Oh my God, call me and frighten me so.
Sorry for frightening you, I never knew you would have frightened so.
I want to make it over here so you're not afraid something cut you.
No, just a few meds in spot. But when I really call you over here so far, are your face when I call you over here so you look uncomfortable in the community? What happened to you?
No, I'm a good man. I just I'm not used to the area.
Your face don't look like nothing. Come talk to me, what happened? Because I know something about you.
You know my man niece?
What your man again?
Oh, you don't know him. I policeman. The police guy.
Who, Patrick?
Yeah, Patrick.
Oh, Patrick!
Yes, Patrick.
Well, in that you say?
No,
Or in Nice? In Nice, no manners. I saw she walk around and disrespect everybody in the community. You get kicked from 3 different schools.
What?
Mm-hmm.
So
me-
social behavior bad?
Yep. So me understand why your face looks so now.
No, so no lie. Like, she don't have no respect for me. Me in her house and she just barge in and just say anything she want say to me and do anything she want do in her place. Me not like them that
You
style.
wanna
eh.
talk to your father about it? Maybe me uncle.
Uncle.
Me ever say father, I don't know where I'm going. Me
When he
uncle.
come home, me have to go talk to him about it because me not like them there something there and them make me feel uncomfortable. Me not feel like that right.
You have to talk to him because if you not talk to him about it, she go continue. Even though she don't listen to him most of the time. You don't know
Well,
that's how it
if
work.
she not listen to him, she have to go listen to me because me not gonna take it slight the next time she do that.
Be sorry for your little condition. If you don't listen to your uncle. If you don't listen to your uncle, you gonna listen to?
Trust me, she a go listen to me.
Okay. If I say so, I become see your face set away that's why I call over and ask her what with you.
Because me just can't bother. Me feel so confused and if I didn't pick me boy, me don't know. Me don't I niece and him a go on so. Suppose I didn't daughter.
She not no mother, she not no father. You not know.
I don't know, I don't really know nothing about their family. Me just meet the man.
Oh! Totally understand. I understand. But a long time I know Patrick still because I come from here, so I live here so few on my lifetime. So a long time I know him.
I understand.
And a long time I know that little girl there too. You know, no manners. She don't have nothing about her. Like she don't grow up with no home training. But true, she can run certain joke with me. Can me ring off her mouth? So me just stay far from she.
You and them a family or something?
No, we're not related.
Oh.
It's just that me come from me live in the same community as them. Anyways, we can ask you a favor.
Yeah man, anything. Go
Alright.
ahead.
Patrick, me beg Patrick to come on paper for me. You have it in a jacket pocket. So what me would I want you to do is take it out and jacket pocket and carry come give me. Cause me and my friend for a long time, like as me say.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
are
my
good
friend,
friend.
but me no know that, so me can't just do that. Me have to
No,
ask
man.
him first.
Yeah, no. No asking.
Probably in
The
the
import-
evening we carry con give man when he come off our road. No worry
No,
yourself.
long if you carry come give me. And if me see Patrick I know.
Then when he come home, me tell him to bring a con give. Yeah?
Now you me the one to bring me come give me still.
Well, me tell him to give me and me bring a con give. That alright?
Me need to want to know about that still, but yeah. Girl, you know want to live good in our community.
Yeah,
Just do me this one little favor and then your life is quite okay. Just one favor me ask you to do.
Alright then, me when we go up, cause I think he left in jacket. No, he left in jacket, so I'm not going to.
Alright then, just do that and meet me later and me come collect it. Just come back right here, so.
Right here, sir?
Yeah, just meet me back right here, so running I after 6 hours.
After 6 hours? Or you mean after 6?
After 6.
Alright then, no problem. Me do that. Me go take a walk. Cause my brain not even there, so.
Alright man, because your face still look away with me call over so still. But this is my chill spot. So me always there so.
Alright then, later.
Alright.
Bye.
That me I tell you about, bro. The thing I go bing for, man. You don't know what the things, man. A bad go to a chat to you, man. I'm here, man. Say so, man. Hold on, me show what you back. Hello. I pray.
Oh, evening, what?
Yeah, good evening. You look nice, though.
Thanks.
You see your part with the police boy, you have so a link, but right now, man, you know, say, yo. See, police can't really protect you. See, every shot in fire, you have to give account for that. How we run the ground, one bad goat. Nice to meet you, you know. So where you going up? Where you go?
Yeah, we go back home.
I want to keep your contact, you know. You see me? Get to know you. On a personal level, you see me?
So you live around the area?
I live all about, man.
Let me think about you and then...
What did you think about?
I have to think about it first.
Alright, here I go on. I make you think about it, but I give you my number. I left you with my number.
I don't have my phone.
I'm going to take your number. I send you one message. So when you think about it, you know where I go on. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah, man. I will run the ground, you know. But if you see a police run the ground, you know, you only know one side of your badness, you know. Everything what police do have to report, mama. You see me? How we go for the thing. So your name, put in the name.
I'm in America.
America. Like America. Hey, a big name you have, you know, man. Yeah, man. Big name you have.
A figure this A.
Oh, that just for sure you, man. Done, you know, my friend. In a real life, you know.
Oh, before we go no further, what would I like to ask you how much money I make a month time?
How much me make a month?
Yeah.
Hey, right now. You feel say me I make police money. My money not monetize, mama.
So
money
you
just
are
make, and
living-
plus me not make money a month. Me make money by the seconds. Every day we make money. Every day we clear food. Brawling, man. That me I show you, see me?
Anything else is sir,
I think
so
me say me I give you a message right now your inbox and I want you reply. When you make up your mind.
alright.
Yeah, man. We not too upfront, you know, but policeman they can't give you kind of protection, kind of loving, hardcore loving. You ever deal with a real bad man yet?
No.
Alright. That may I tell you that's something to think about.
Alright then, so nice meeting you. What's your name again?
First class, my name Bad Goat. You hear that?
Alright, first class. So we link up. So have a nice day.
When you shake and mama come put up your body against me.
No, but suppose we can't do that.
Hey, you feel I'm afraid of the police.
No, me never say that, but later.
So you will go on. Better reply.
Yeah. You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start driving Beamer, yeah. You used to
Sister.
have a girl, now
Brother,
you
what?
have a gold digger.
I mean, you're good.
Alright.
Yeah, shake me and help me up, you know what you do. Lord Jesus, make up your mind.
I'll go on.
Yeah, just come from work.
Then I trim it.
I'll make your eyes try if you do that something then. Eh? I like your style sometimes, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Alright, calm down, brother. What I really want to ask you do? You're not married yet?
Sister, you know, say everything I take time, man. You know? You know, say me a bigger brother and you want to see me married and yeah, a cake, you want to come here, me no cake and rum, you want to
Listen,
come drink.
and I just see where the cake I want, you know. I want one nephew or one niece. You can't live your life so bro.
So hold on, you can what? So make you can have one pitney and stop a count for me if you have pitney?
No, listen, brother. Don't bother feel like you want to disrespect me now, because you know so me can't have kids.
I won't meant to remember to be, but I know disrespect, but you are trying to put in one. It's like you pressure me.
Me need of you hard. Have at least 5 of them. So you keep 2 and me keep 3.
Me I always hear people say, them have some relative in a say, oh no, can't have pitney, hurry up, and get them go and live for me. And then when you call them, if you even stay with them for 1 week, and they must say, won your responsibility. I feel your pitney enough for me.
No, brother, you know how me love Pitney already, so that is no problem to me right now. And the next thing too, me never really want to turn no police, you know. Cause each time I go up on the road, me stress right out. Me have to take up the Bible and I pray for you. You know amount of error points run through my body when you go out at night time and daytime. Me stress out. Me never want to turn no police, me I tell you the truth.
Sister, is that I'm turn police and I turn thieves. Because you know, say when I grow up, I have certain mentality where I say to myself, say, is that I choose the good one or the bad one. So I use my thieving mentality in the police force. So I know how and which part to go and which part not to go. You understand me? I say, I'm going to tell you this, no sister. Cause me love my work and I protect my work certain way. Me no want no say at any point in time you have a certain girl in your area round over here so. Come here you know the police hear everything at some point. Cause we can buy people Kentucky and chicken and something there. And make them feel comfortable if you know some boy and can trust me as a policeman.
So you hear some me have
Me not here. It's when people pass through here, when people pass through here, either if they come check you for something and they stay more than 10 minutes, that means that they not come here to pass through. You harbor. You understand me I said to you?
So how me if you know if the people then good or bad?
No,
Remember
why,
say me no left you see me I left me yard?
me know, that's why I tell you say, that's why I'm here, that's why I come check you. Because this morning, you know, them have one meeting and them a try tell me what I go on, who I do what, which part if you go, which operation, which part we gonna set up this, set up that, and which part if who if you bribe and all them something there. So I tell you that my sister said, your house. And me I said, no man, my sister live there by herself. And them I said, no, them spot people over here. You understand me I say? So no, make nobody come over here.
Alright brother, me understand what you say.
Tell me something. You hear about one brother named Bad Goat?
Bad goat.
Mm-hmm.
The tall brown youth.
Yeah. All team name call, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Look how him grew up good. His mother carry him go to church, baptize him in a river. And when they baptize in a river, when whole person when broke down in the river, I don't know if the curse or whatever when cut from him, I know him take up his back.
So where am I do?
Well, them a tell me say, based on theme organization when I farm, I be a money my collect.
So hold on there. Stick up in there so.
Mm.
Why uno police? No, you're doing I force so me have to say uno police. Why uno police always just try to stop the people them food?
Stop people them food.
No,
What do you mean
but
stop people them
what-
food? Why you don't look work? Eh? Why you don't go 9 to 5? Eh? Next now my people go to college. You don't waste all the time in a school. And then I go blame what? I love my work. And I call them customers.
I say you behave with the people them?
No, I don't behave this way, but you have to understand, so when I need to be a certain way, I be a certain way. Sister, me love you, you know?
Me love it too, but listen.
So don't defend them, sister, because if
Me
you
not-
defend them,
no.
me go unlove you. So you decide what you want to do.
Me still I go eat. I'm not gonna have sleepless night.
Wait,
But
you
listen,
eat, what behind bars?
listen,
Sister, me come for you, sister.
listen,
How?
listen. If young youths them a try to make their money, Lord, they make their money.
Never allow them, yes?
If it's a different case now, where them a murder people, me not go pick up for them. But if a man in the on their phone and want choppy line, you law them. On the police law them, because remember say before no turn
Sis,
police
me go-
we used so hungry.
Sis, me go pretend like me not hear this conversation, sis. Me go pretend like say, I dream, I dream, me must a dream. Because I guess right now, you talk these things and feel say, it come from a cool place. Sister, me love my job. To serve and protect. Jamaica. Jamaica. I can say, if I never fit them, me can't get the profit. Me can't go in one place and go get one loan to get one car easy. I have one house, but me soon get. Because right now, you know, it's which one I live. Me not live that fair right now. I tell you that. Me just go to NHT and them said to me, say everything good. So by the next 2 months, so really and truly, me I try to get one woman now me can organize it as I say, married. But sister, don't make me hear them words that utter out of your mouth. I will come for you.
Mm.
You understand?
Alright, bro.
We say, alright, like I with my friend, yeah.
No, I'm gonna eat some food you know.
Sister, I'm not come to make you uncomfortable, you know.
I didn't say that.
So,
Listen, me understand what you say. I'm not gonna talk like that again. But me need to consume some food and look soup.
alright.
So,
Yeah, but how you say it, you try to use a head palm me like you always use a head palm me when you were younger. See? When you said that, and I said nothing wrong with you. I become my foot when think, and you know my foot when think, and you hey, don't use a brain palm, my sister.
see Jeep come there. Are you squaddy them?
No, none of them.
Private
I know for my
car.
people them. Just really relax, don't move, don't talk too much. Just look and shake. But just pretend like you're talking. Them operation me I tell you about, them are saying, them a vehicle unknown, I want a drive through your area.
What you want with the gun?
Kick. Why when I'm full, you're hungry?
Later, bro. Love you.
Love you. Oh, are you?
Man, General.
No, there, man, what I'm to you? What, your dealings?
We there, man. Big up, man. You
Eh?
don't know a single, man. We there, man. We don't violate, man. We there easy, man.
You not getting trouble in that area?
No, man. I want to you, man.
Make sure you know.
No, do that, General, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Because I hear about you, bad goat and all these things. And me I said to myself, say that you from my community, I want to say, boy, me I live in the same community, me I forward I come pick you up,
No, man.
You understand me I
don't worry
say?
about that, man. Right now, we look up to you as a general in our place, you know. Man, want to be like you, you know. Patrick, hear me I say, man. We are going to behave ourselves, man. I are a general around here, you know. Don't worry about it, man. We not get no trouble in our place, man.
Make sure you know.
Church, more and talk, go on something. Hey,
That's
cool,
not go to
Patrick.
church. That's a good move, man. That's a
man.
damn good move.
Yes, man. I'm not fully pack my bag yet, but we get in there, you know.
Alright, make a break this down to you now.
Yeah.
I don't know how you're going to really receive this because guess what? Earlier today, me and them talk about bad goat. I received certain money. And receiving certain money over certain standard, you know how things I go. Well, me love my job, you know. You understand? And I work. So, me no want come now and, why for that? Me no want forward and then, me go say you and you say me. And all these and all these things, you know what I mean? And then me have to go fire, you know what I mean?
Well, no, man. We
So
not
just-
recess, man.
Just know me, I tell you, a little birdie tell me. So if you are collect, no say you uncollect. You understand? And just make it thing flow properly.
Nah, put myself in your way, Papa.
Or yourself. You know, you want to call me Popo. You know.
Alright,
Me
Patrick.
officer.
Patrick, officer.
Or Patrick.
Officer.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or Officer Patrick.
Officer.
Nobody
Patrick.
know Popo.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
Cool, no, man.
Don't diss me. You understand me I say?
Cool, no, man.
Alright, so big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, general.
See?
Man. Yeah, man.
You see me woman passes earlier, cause make me don't know if you're in CR passes. You know woman though?
I don't know your woman, you know.
Oh, good talk, you're smart. We shall get it. Yes, sir.
Alright.
So remember now, you know, if you are collect and collect.
Even Mona.
Even my child, Mona is not here.
But we need to collect my things. What we can't find her? Because she had dodged me right now, you know.
Hey, look, girl. You feel lucky say me change, you know. Cause he come like you smell a stinking self. How happen? Me say she not there here.
And me say when me can't find her.
Come out of my place. Come out of my place.
Yeah, you damn host who can like. Listen,
Come
me,
out of
never
my place.
come here
I know
for me
that.
argue with you.
I know that. I know that. Come out of my place.
You know what me I can come out to your place.
Me never come out of my place, girl. Move! If you lucky, say me change, because I just take up sin and lick you across the face right now. Because
Don't
come
do
like you
that.
don't know who you play
Don't
with.
do that.
You know who you play with? And that me say, me ask if you know who you play with. When you come in my place, I can give me chat for. Me say if you come out of my yard and I know manners, girl.
Me never bad with none and me go dead.
Go out of my yard.
gone?
No.
Mom, you know I'm gonna come here then.
Wait do.
I want to take my jacket. How?
No, take up the whole of it.
Oh, you put up it? Oh,
Yeah,
take
I
it.
put up it.
Why?
I like how you look on the suitcase stuff.
Hmm?
I like how you look on the suitcase stuff.
Oh.
What do you? I sit down on this and you drive.
This is my sister. My sister talks some sin thing, Mr. Man. And the things that she talk to me, make me feel like she change.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, something mean? You should know, so I'm going to go for her if I don't need her.
You go with
You
your
understand?
sister?
What do you mean, so I'm going to go for my sister? I love my work, you know. Police job. Is that I turn police or thief, that I tell her. And if understand, say, me no want, you know, I don't want a situation where, cause what? Me don't go to jail with she then, if something happen.
You're not going to jail with your sister, but I don't think your sister do not all the time.
No, oh, she talk about if you left people who are scam on this and that and blah, blah, blah. I mean, I say, no, you can't do that, sister.
Probably she expect justice.
You too?
No, baby.
We mean split justice. Oh, justice for split. When, if somebody did something wrong, how if it split?
So when you're raising...
What do you mean somebody raise my voice? Me must raise my voice, I'm angry. What do you mean somebody...
Stop.
Yo, me tell this man.
I pull out just... Did I pull out the gun?
When me pull up my gun, no, me want to say, my gun come out, look like come out. Are you touch my gun?
Oh.
Are you touch my gun?
I have something to talk to you about.
What mean say something talking about? What you talking about?
I don't know how you go a road and not go a road strap.
Yeah, because me in a hurry up. And that's when I go on.
Well, next time I be careful because you know say bad man they live on the road.
Which
so
bad
you
man?
always-
No bad man can live on the road, that's all. Me only bad man in the lane. Yeah. Me I walk past all I can see one boy then called Bad Goat. Eh? Bad Goat. Bad Goat. Me name I call this morning. And me no want to in a no situation where me have to go pop off. Yeah, come here, I say, me no want to pop off.
Behave so.
Me mean something me angry.
Calm down, calm down.
You like certain vibes, man.
I'm
That me I tell you.
talk to you.
Talk no? Just talk your talk.
Anyway, your niece, me not like how your niece always a pop up in her house and come in here and raise her voice for me.
No worry about me niece, man. She mad in her head. Sick in her head a long time. Me and you.
Let me tell you, no, listen to me now. Me not go there and have a little girl a pop up, suppose me naked.
She know how
And
the same
suppose
thing
me
when you have.
and you in her room and do something.
No, that different
and
now.
she pop in.
Listen, my little niece, her head goes sometime. So you have to understand. Say,
No, me not understand that. Pitney a pitney.
Hello, calm down your voice.
Sorry,
Calm down your voice. Remember you talk to me now.
sorry.
A man have to laugh. What if you on the road and people are here? Me woman a talk to me so. I shout, I raise them voice. You don't do that.
Sorry,
You understand me? I say, calm down your voice.
sorry.
So me I tell you, say, my little niece now, she is sick in her head sometime. It's simple as that. You can't heal madness. You can't heal madness.
Also, you say your niece mad.
Yes!
I think coming one day, I'm lick him, tell them say me mad too.
You cannot do that, cause remember, you know, blood thicker than water.
I don't care what you want to say. No.
Yo, what you try to say to me, sir?
When me
You
a
have
try
to
to
choose.
say,
Hey, mister, don't raise a voice for me. Don't raise a voice for me. Me's a man of the law.
just listen what me have to say.
Then
When,
talk.
Ah.
Take your time. And talk now.
when me a try to say, respect you, and you want to live here again. You have a woman in her house now. So when she come here, she's supposed to knock.
She just not used to you. Simple as that. Just get that in your head now.
No, me not
Listen,
get
I got
that in
beard, you
my
know.
head.
And listen to me. Don't make me feel like I'm going to touch again, you know. Because I think government gun, you know. You understand me? I say?
So, man, no,
So you have to
so
make
what
sure,
you
say, no, you're going to pan safety, you must know that.
Put on your gun, put on your gun, put on your gun, put on your gun.
Don't touch it.
Not touch your gun, but
You got beard.
any funny move again, me have to go dry, me have to go dry.
What you mean? So you draw a gun pan somebody since there?
Yeah, me dry gun for your niece.
How dare you?
Oh, dear me.
Well, let me tell you something.
Somebody just pop up in your house, so me
I no
find-
fear.
So,
I no fear.
it did the fix.
Uncle. Like you're there now.
So what me a talk about? This me a talk about.
you
This
talk
me
about?
a talk about.
You see.
Uncle, me come beg you one soap.
Listen to me. You have to understand this thing. She not used to you, yeah.
Then she need to get used to me because she come here this morning and see me here. So you're supposed to get used to.
In due. Hello. What you doing? Sit down and relax yourself. You're fresh. You're fresh in your mode. I'm saying to you, what you need to understand is, she not used to you here, and she's always here.
Yeah,
and
give
me tell
her
you, say,
right. No.
shut your mouth. Me tell you, say, you have to understand certain things. You
Let's do
understand?
it there.
Oh my God.
She laugh and she mad.
Go in the kitchen if you soap. Soap in the kitchen.
No, that soap there. Bad soap.
Bath soap in the bath. So go in the bath for the bath soap.
Me don't want that one day. I want new bad soap because she used that one day.
Bath soap, look under the basin. You will see the bath soap.
Under the basin.
Under the basin. Hey, come that way, what that way? So.
I can't go manage this.
When you say can't manage this,
Yeah,
so what that mean?
manage.
So you want to I come here and come out? And if you want left? Remember, say you come from far, you know? Work on your system. You understand me I say?
Me don't know
Relax
for the
yourself, man.
Rasta policeman.
Hello. Stop say Rasta policeman.
But you're a Rasta.
Stop say it!
Rasta. You're a Rasta. So
Me
what?
not make it out. Just watch what I go on. Me have a beard.
You're being-
Don't take up the bar soap there! Me get the one if you get.
Hey,
Father God, the way you take long, me think you all forgot.
why?
Me days to start all worried.
You know something about I get you?
Eh?
When I get you, man, catch me.
Eh?
You catch me.
You have to be smart.
I drop me
man.
a make girl.
Me not run them serious joke there.
Why you don't run joke?
Me never say me not run joke. Me say me not run them serious joke there.
Oh.
So
But
wait
anyway, sit here. So
you
why-
sure I hit?
Why you ask me the question there? Tell me where there I'm go right there for you.
Okay, I hit. Thank you very
So what
much.
that's all about?
You have to know that too. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
I got it locked.
Just open the ask me feet, because I don't know what I'm going to answer to him.
Mama, if you ask so far, tell him so you don't know nothing about it. Because you're not touching jacket. It is that simple.
Me touching jacket and he said me touching jacket. Your face you drop me I met one time, I tell us say he nearly catch me with the paper. He nearly catch me with the paper for you know.
So you catch you with the jacket in your hand.
Yes,
Oh,
and I did have a
God.
paper in my hand, but my ID and the bottom and slide the back in my pocket.
Mama,
And when
you
he
tell
come
you
out of the room now, I take out the back and just rush out of the house.
next time, you tell you need to be smart. You have to look out of your eye. You get your eye if you look, and you get your ears if you listen.
You get the paper though?
Thank you very much.
Good.
Respect Panda one day. Alright.
So big up yourself, mama.
Alright.
me a rush
You have
go
your
back.
back.
Yeah man, you can do a favor for me?
Which favor that now?
Alright, never niece-in-law. You can give me some lick for me.
Me? Mama, me not depend that. The last time me fight, me, pa? Station. But me glad that over with now. Yeah.
Alright then, that good still, but me sort out her in a one different way. You
Yes, start
understand?
out in a one different way because I don't want to put back myself in that position there again.
Anyway, me a rush go up because he don't know some left out of the house can go and beard.
Oh.
I try this
And that the man is easy. Alright, yeah, you can go on. You not take long for beard.
You know say not take long for beard.
No worry about that, mama. Just know say not take long for beard. You're supposed to soon come out of the bathroom by now.
Alright.
Me to put myself in mad.
God, I want to come to the pit here. Hello, stop.
I want me now.
You see, today I have a mad friend come here. And she feel lucky say, me is a change woman. Because I would have na her face here. Let me tell her so, Lord, forgive me. Chantalama kunte, Chantalama. Hey! Chantalama. Me say your friend disrespectful, she don't have no manners. I see through me gone to church now. I just keep myself quiet. Anyways, she come by some package. Make sure say no illegal activity now go on in my place.
No man, you know me would do that. You don't know me from nowhere and you feel comfortable giving me the home. So why would I do that? What you talk about?
Just make sure. Because
that
me
man.
not deal with foolishness. Me a decent woman.
Me realize that.
Yes.
So nothing like that, man. You not nothing to worry about. I
Okay.
never do something like that
And
in your
tell
house.
her if you don't come back on my yard and disrespect me like that.
She disrespect you?
She come and she has slapped down my board. I saw me know say she unsound mind. That's why me say it's a mad girl coming on my yard a while ago. I know me can't believe. Come knock down my chichi board. Me can't. Hey, you see to me, you know, warn your friend until I feel know herself.
Alright then. I'm grateful for everything you do for me. But I just go down and I just link her and have a talk with her. Because this way she do not call for it don't make no sense. It just make me feel bad in myself.
And one more thing. Remember somebody rent their house in 1 month. And I change my mind and extend it to 6 months. But all things are going right now. Don't make me change my mind.
Come on, I can't change my mind because you can't live outside. You want me to sleep on the outside? Me not know if you go.
Don't make me change my mind. Because if my mind changes, I go come back. So just go and go do what you say.
I link her because she not make me sleep outside.
Yeah, I'm going to put it people them for confident child.
Alright then, do that. Have a nice day.
Alright.
Alright.
I never see a lane without a tunnel. Wanna go on? Look, boy, me is not a mother, me not breastfeed you. Wanna contact on pitney?
Girl, you may come. We had one yard. Come, them we had one yard.
What do you mean when me do your yard?
The shipment just start. And you want all smash up everything, girl. Just to one little weed.
Girl, you know say when me want weed, me mad.
That's why you come on my yard mad. I make you come and nearly put me out.
Oh, she nearly put you out so you never
Where you
know.
come on me and cause the woman for?
Me? I did a woman raise and get up and a cuss. Me never go down there and
The woman is a very peaceful woman. She's a Christian and she's nice. She didn't even know me from nowhere and she give me the house to live in her. You want me go on road, girl, and me your friend? You want me live outside?
All you do.
You gonna put me up?
All
You
you-
gonna put me up?
You hear me say?
Me a hear
All
talk.
you do. No, me have to come in your yard again. Cause if me come in your yard again, a problem.
Better you not come on my yard.
Better
Better you not come on my yard. Better you just don't come.
Because right now me feel like I hide you, I hide me out.
Me not hide you out, girl, but you just do not come back around there because now the little woman put me out because of you. You not have no manners.
Well-
You disrespect the woman in her house.
Well, I want thing me have to say, you see, when me want my weed, me mad.
If you want to weed, just lick me pan the bird. And make me carry weed come give you. Don't come on me
call
yard.
on your phone, me say you not answer, so me find a yard.
A matter of fact, you see the organization we have? What there? Just cancel that. We are just bridging for now.
I lie, yeah, tell.
Yeah, we are just bridging. Just left it there so we are bridging.
You see this, what you call it? Whatever the word they be, it can't cancel because you reach halfway through it already. I know you want cancel when you reach
You know,
halfway
somebody just
through.
find out, say, you're cooked for true.
You just know that.
You're cooked for true, you know. The shipment cancel.
Oh,
and that's
wow.
final. I don't have no more to say to you. Just leave it there so as a bridging. If you don't want that, that's fine. But this not gonna work. Me not gonna do it.
Me don't say what me have to say no. Just ensure say me get what me forget.
You're alright,
And
you know.
don't come out of me
You're
yard.
alright. It's cancelled. Final.
Right. A matter of fact, I'm gonna call Patrick. Cause a girl I feel she's smart. Hello. Yeah, I know some know where one criminal located though. Yeah, she in some illegal business. And why you pull up her foot. Yeah, you know what brown slim lady, what she name? She go by the name Cherry. Yeah, right over here she live. Yes, she has sell. What you mean how me know that? Me know because me and her already friend but to follow out now. Yeah. She always hide it on her bed. Alright then. Yeah, just call me when I get through. Alright. You're not smarter than me. Right.
Let me jacket.
So you ready for it?
Yeah.
Come. I'm actually say I have a wonderful day today.
So make it so nice today. How about me?
No, I just feel good like today I'm a special day.
Alright. So thanks for looking breakfast.
Uh-huh. So remember your phone?
Alright. We have a little thing to do. I go down to the station first to collect some information about one situation. And then I go up one boy to check him because from yesterday I forgot about me kind of tired. You know what I think? So later, yeah?
So now all good?
You know, say, alright, come in.
Later.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright.
You know the plans there for you?
No, I just have to do some washing and cleaning.
You wash? Alright, me have one dirty brief from that corner, so you can take up with me.
So when you left your brief, where dash your brief over there, Stephen?
Whenever dash, you drop it around there. You understand?
Alright.
You always give me a hard talk. What to you?
No, I'm not getting
I'll be a hard talk every time you say something, you say three. Huh? What I can work out?
You know what I respond?
I no matter respond, but it's like what a DJ by a DJ.
No, why you always
Track
get
with track.
so aggressive?
When you say aggressive, I'm not aggressive. I say just they do what you need to do then now.
So when you go and say,
Later, yeah.
I go pray. Father God, forgive me. Forgive me for telling my mother say me not lay my egg in one basket. Forgive me for give me not even know when, me not even remember my name, Father God. But forgive me for give me number. Because my police rasta man a deal with me good enough. And he came from a far away. So please me I beg you, forgive me for every wrong thoughts me have in my head. In Jesus' name, amen. I'll go wash. I'll take a
Yeah, Mr. Tibby.
Yeah, deal with that now, boss.
Why am I there, you know? Everything good?
Yeah, man.
You're not reporting on my station, you know, so.
What?
Yeah, man, you're not reporting on my station. So them said to me, say, boy, I have to check. Because I don't understand how I go on. You know the law work, you know, Tibby.
Man, how you come to me about your man, about me now report? Brother, I'm here, brother. We not come from the said place. You feel protect we, you know?
What do you mean so we live in the same place? What you talking about?
Patrick, me not depend on you, brother.
Listen to me, I said to you. You need to report on my station. That's all. It's a simple thing, you know?
Patrick, where me live, where you live? Said lane we live in.
Alright, listen to me, I say. Because you keep on saying the same thing. Me
brother,
say, them give one strict order. Say, only thing you need to do a report and sign your name, and then you can do what you do. But then I want to know, see you not dead about.
You a foul person if you come to me.
When me say me a for a person, so what? Now work me a work.
Work, yeah, but we live in, I said, community.
That not have nothing to do with it. So alright, if you live in the same community as me, and you
Patrick, I violate
and you're a farmer.
thing, Patrick, man.
Me a violate.
I violate
You know when them violate? I what you do right now.
Thing, brother.
Alright, you me I say, since that's so be the case, me have to go bring you down to the station.
Brother,
Me have to go bring you down to the station.
yo, Patrick, that really depend, brother.
Me have to go, me love my work, you know. My work is very important to me. Because if me no work, me can't feed my own of them in
I am all pre, man. Me I change out my shoes, brother.
What mean you change out your shoes?
Patrick, me I change out. Me now go to the station, look, so. You call me, look. Yo, me I forward the brother. Because anything or anything to the brother.
Yo, you better hurry up, you know. Yo, the body not tricky, you know. Why not tricky stuff, you know, because you don't know anything going on. Yo,
What time you had me?
Yo, where are you? Yo, where are you?
Yo, Patrick.
I'm going to say, you know.
I hammer this.
So where are you? Where me you say,
Yo, come on.
Help! Me tell you, say,
Help me, Manda.
Hey, arrest the man, fam.
Where me say me arrest the man?
You have a warrant?
Where me say, of course me have a warrant.
Show me.
Where me say show you? Me have a warrant. Me have... What is that? Me show me have a warrant. Where me say me show me there?
Yo, get the man out of me yard, no. Be run him out, you know, no warrant.
I shot him.
Where me say I shot him?
Be help me, no call the ambulance.
I don't understand where you warrant there. Where you warrant there? Where me say come out of yard?
Call the ambulance, help.
Warrant there.
Officer, what your name? Whatever you want name.
Yo, as some trick business now go, alright, here we are going. Me a fall back with the warrant, because I'm sure some get it down there. You see you?
Be run
You
him
see you?
Man, the run him out of yard, no.
Come.
All I want to know, Patrick, you know. Oh, God. Be. Kill me if you kill all the police boy then you Patrick, you know.
Yeah, they start talking about police, man, guns. Yeah, please, they come.
Yo, I'm not busy with that right now.
Jenny, Vika, hospital, come.
Be take time with me, no brother. Yo, this no matter me, brother. Patrick matter me, no brother. This can't deal with after me. I think about Patrick. You don't see man coming at me hard without warrant, come shot me.
Don't worry about warrant. But anyways,
Yo.
come.
Brother, yo.
Come now. Jesus Christ, the mag about you. How weird.
You kill a boy there, you know.
Hi, Shanice.
How you want?
Alright. I realize I'm going to here for a long time. So, me and you have to go get along.
Me, what? Rephrase that. You know, see me relax. Me just not have no feeling my back. Rephrase that sentence, they come and understand.
Me I say, me and you have to go get along.
Get along for why?
Because
for a
me
reason.
go there for a long
Let me hear the year too. Let me hear the year too, you know, lady. I've been like you from morning, no one night, me not go like you. And you not stay here no longer. Me tell you 3 days have and 1 gone, so you only have 2 days left.
You sure about that?
Oh man,
Where you
nobody
go
when
make
my
me live?
uncle take up, never stay long. Never.
Let's see about that.
Me know you not have the glue, the grip, nor the almighty to hold on my uncle.
I got everything to hold him.
You don't have it. You don't look like you have it, for you have it, you do outside one night, yeah.
Out where?
You see, that me sure say you don't have the glue, the grip, nor the jam. You just a pillar towards my uncle
Anyway, you're
right
not going to say nothing to me if you make me feel offended or vexed or whatsoever for going to go cuss my man. You understand? Because I realize I'm
Rephrase, fear cuss people, man, because I'm not your man. People, man. Everybody, man. I'm not your man alone, everybody, man. So come, talk.
I'm not going to make you make me live for you, so you're just a child. You understand?
So we are trying to say, me not have no sense.
No, me not say
me psycho.
No, but me I say, people like Uno, we make people mash up their relationship.
With people, man.
No, you have said that way, me don't know. He always come home to me, though.
Yeah, because you're the pillar night time.
Well, let me be a pillar.
Okay.
At least I take care of me now.
So what make you feel like you want to come all peace with me now?
Because me go there for a long while.
Who tell you that? Who tell you that?
Call me big brother, you know, cause you must feel like a thing, so. Have to kill a boy down your patchy. Who they today, yeah? Oh, bro. There, man, big bro. You can't come give me a link.
Yeah, me a forward, man. So
Yeah.
this is where I go, you know.
You know, say, why can't lift up that thing that can't check me, want to borrow, you know. Alright.
I'm not realize you can't come, man.
Alright, forward.
Be you good.
I'm feel good, brother. You know,
See,
get shot.
it's still a bleed hard.
Come on, you know,
Me
just
know why
so
you
good.
praying of violence, you know.
No, I'm not depend still, you know, but still, me I go to a station over here what them a deal with, you know.
You sure?
Right now, my foot, see, I still I believe the brother, yo. The boy on the plastic still and still in for dead, you know, brother.
Me tell you, say you're not praying of violence.
Nah,
Are
really
you still
praying
a
of
pre that
violence,
way there?
brother. What you mean, but even if me feel not praying of violence, say me not for praying of violence, bro. Where the pan, brother?
Remember say, I'm a police, you know.
So what?
I'm a
I
police.
make him.
That me not like with you now, you know. You're not chill. You need to chill out sometime.
Yo, still, my brother can't check me, you know.
Which one of them?
What you mean, which one of them? How much brother me have?
Me no. Listen, the weed when me born, it forgot my
Brother.
brain, so you have to tell me again. How much would you have?
So long as someone take to come, brother, right now, I'm not meds right now, you know, brother. Because right now, a different thing me upon right now, brother.
You know what me I can
You
go
can't
in?
help me, brother.
Me I go finish cook.
But you can't go on where you go, brother. Come and contact me.
And I me make you get shot in the sir, don't get
What
it
you
out for me.
Yo, brother, just ease me up, no bad man. I'm telling you, brother, go on your ways, brother.
That's with you now.
I'm going to chat about me, not to retaliate, brother. This man take so long to forward, brother.
Princess,
What's wrong?
good day, what's up?
Okay.
Good day, how you come check in?
Sorry, me not down here there.
Man like you more, you know, the little laundry and thing, you know, take care of the yard, you know. I text him and I see her reply to my text.
Actually, I'm busy, that's why I have a lot of stuff to do.
Too busy to reply to her text.
Yeah, I'm not really on my phone, as you can
Princess,
see.
man, I like the energy you give me, you know.
What kind of energy me again?
You know me and you make for each other and we have a bond, you know.
Me and I make for each
I
other,
know
you
we are
can't say that.
soulmates.
No, me and a soulmate.
So yeah, I say.
Me I say, me have a policeman.
Stop talk about the policeman.
Why me fi stop talk about
me. I
him?
like hear about police, you know. Don't show you a way on the ground, man. Stop telling me about policeman.
Listen, it can't work out between me because the man when me have,
Sweet, you know.
him a do everything for me. You know, foreign can me from come here so, and for me go cheat on him, no, me can't do it. I'm sorry, but me can't do it.
I boss you tell say you can't do it. You know me who? I mean name bad girl. Look for me when I talk
That
to you.
not have nothing to do with me. A policeman me I deal with. One phone call.
One phone call, what you mean by one phone call?
Just later. Me talk to you next time. Me a whole heap
No,
of
ma,
things
hold
with
on,
you.
my friend. I show you something. I know some of the things. You hear that?
No, hold on, no.
That's how
Hold
the
on,
things.
no.
You
Hold
hear
on,
that,
no.
man?
Hold on,
You
no.
hold
Please,
on,
me
man.
a beg you. Listen, no.
Yeah, say what you say. Make sure something good next come out of your mouth now.
Me a think.
I don't tell you what I need upon, you know. You can't have my eyeball for you and just come evade, so. How bother with that, man?
Nah. Just let me think about it.
No, I already make you think about it.
Let me think
I
about
want to
it
go
again
dance and
now.
I come for you now.
Go ahead.
Yo.
Babe.
Yo.
Hey.
Ask him my life. Yo.
Wagwan. Come on now.
Ask him my
Go ahead. Step up from the end.
I want to light me a bar, man.
I like your borrow?
Yeah,
man.
you see lighter?
I want a lighter, man.
Alright. You don't like her. You start. Hey, go ahead. Step up from one now. Hey, me talk to you, the boy.
Yeah. Let's say go on.
You see me talk to you, you have to
Yeah.
listen and respond to me. You step out of my yard.
I hear you, man.
Step out of my yard.
Freshness in a Patrick. I don't say we live in a Patrick. I'm here, Patrick.
How are you going? Me say how really are going on, sir?
No. When we go in our house.
Go in our house.
Go in our house. You gone?
What you want to do, I do? Eh?
Did I pin out the clothes them I did wash?
You want me tell you this? See? A far me carry from me now.
I know.
And me no want this a boy name Bad Goat. If it dead in my place. Yeah, look for me, I talk to you.
Yeah, me I listen to
You listen to me, I talk to you, you know. Because I don't want to get violent with you, you know. My day was very rough, you know. Me I shoot somebody today, you know. Someone when you're outside, I linger. You understand me I said to you?
Yeah.
So what you want to talk about?
No, he come borrow one lighter.
No, listen to me, I know you, you know. What you want him to talk about?
He come borrow one lighter, me never have no lighter. That's why I come here ask her.
You start smoke?
No.
So how you feel entertain about lighter?
Oh, when me
How much is we use round there? So you talk about lighter?
me never remember.
Me tell you this.
matches to use.
One chance, me I give you. One chance. And if me ever feel and think, say you in a no hanky-panky with this Bad Goat here.
Me not even like him.
Let me say to me like him. I chop on this side, you know. My money not enough, you know. Money you want from him?
What happened?
And money you want from him?
I roll up your sleeve so far.
Because time hot. And money you want from him?
No, me no want nothing from him. He just come borrow a lighter.
Me still like you look so uncomfortable. Like something really are going.
No, me just feel hot. You know hot? Me feel hot.
No, me not hot.
Me feel hot.
Alright, you what we're gonna do? We might have a left the place now. Alright, you tomorrow we might have a left the place officially.
Yeah, Oreo.
Because the NHT thing are forward and you know certain things are work out positively. I'm telling you, I shot a boy today. Jesus Christ.
So, yeah, oh.
Tell me something. You're gonna me don't know for some reason I miss one paper out of my damn jacket. Me have a warrant for arrest somebody. And imagine somebody up on the scene and try to arrest somebody. And them will tell me say, and me don't have no warrant. So me dig in my pocket and fish on my warrant now. Nothing. Not a damn thing come out.
Warrant?
One warrant.
No, me never go in your jacket. Me no know nothing about that. Me no know nothing about that. So you can't ask me nothing about that. Me no know.
And me and you living and me and you and Duppy. Did you take a paper out of me? This is the moment when you can tell me the truth.
Alright. Yeah, me meet one girl on the road and me take out.
Which girl you meet on the road?
She name Amanda.
Jeez, I'm pity most. You know what you do for me today? You set up, you set me up, you know? You set up my life.
Oh, me set up you.
Where you meet Amanda? That means you go a road.
No, me didn't.
That means what?
No, me didn't walk. A day when your niece come disrespect me in the house. Me come out of the house and I go clear
Go
the
in.
end.
Go in the house. Move for everything in the house. Move.
Patrick, you feel them have a dead off. Send this viral. Now come back here and look on the foot. The woman must don't cook you now. But wait, I can't go in the house with the thing.
babe. Babe!
May I come?
Don't cook fast, see me.
Because me just do something simple.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you eat it after. I know that it all left now.
Babe, come on, babe.
Hmm?
When I go sleep, I feel beer pain. No, I put ya. Put up it till later.
Alright, well, I'm going to sleep. We can check time.
I drink a day. Keep the devil away. Girl, you don't know what say Shatta just come out of prison.
Alive.
Yeah, me hear say I go come for you. So you have to go lift up. Cause me hear say I come for you.
Go.
Me no know.
Sorry about what I'm doing now.
Yo, bad goat no for this, so you know that me I tell you, when bad goat there, man, me feel like I'm a curse. Don't touch my jacket. That me I tell you.
But honey, I get no gun, man.
I know for me them. I for government. And if you think you're bad, touch that one, you know?
No, I'm not.
Me want to see you touch that one you like the last one where you claim you drop on my knees.
Me
You're out tired, you know? You know, no manners, man. Sometimes I have to wonder about how you do things, you know?
Me never know say your niece are coming in our house. Me think of this somebody.
Alright, how does feel? How does feel? How does feel? How does feel?
Me don't feel good.
Eh?
Just stop and
So you do it for me, pop.
So you do it for me so far.
Because I don't want you to do it again and think to do that again.
Me say me never know say your niece are coming in our house. Me sorry. Suppose they make it so go off for me.
Yo, Mr. Man, yo, you don't know, you know, man. Yo, Mr. Yo. You have to understand the circumstances and what me have to do as a police officer, you know, man. And then you have to represent me. You will not have dirty. It's a bad goat here, a par with you.
You never did a par with me. Me tell us you're like.
You hang on clothes and you hang on your panty. And your brassiere. I didn't get to see your panty and your brassiere, girl. Eh?
Me sorry.
Now you can't imagine how the same thing look for you. Eh? I can't imagine this. No man, nothing know human panty look.
Me sorry. He just come over here feel lighter.
You have to light again? I saw light. Hey, I should be not abusive, you know. I should be not aggressive, you know. Is Ardy you with me? Are you? Me says Ardy you with me? Are you not with me? You can't.
With you.
You're with me. Hey, don't touch me.
So why you being
We miss me.
You can just stop being so relax.
You get alright. Look on it.
Calm down yourself. Calm down yourself. You have a long day at work today. Just relax now. Calm down yourself. Look how you're sweat and something.
Hungry to them, feel dizzy. You know, don't touch me, man. Say don't touch me. You bad water touch you. I see you touch bad water.
Nobody that touch
I see you touch bad goat. Jesus Christ. This man.
So,
Don't touch me, man. Feel a waste, star.
I'm not on the phone for you.
Me no want a fan for you. Me turn a fan myself. You know, it's a matter of fact, me don't turn a fan because I'm burn no current just so. I tell you, we have to leave this place. That me I tell you, we have to leave this place.
Yes, man, we left the place for true. I don't want to turn it again. You're not carrying niece.
My niece don't live in the house. She have her place where she live with her other family members them. You know, she tell you say her family land. You not listening, you know?
She not gonna have access to where we are going now.
Nobody don't know who go. That me I tell you.
Oh my God.
Bad goat. Man.
Why you being
Bad
so
goat.
bad goat? Just
Man.
come for borrow lighter, you know, so them the boy they are smoke
Man.
and sitting.
A February and you make the May. I run February. Eh? But can go so.
No, make no May run no February.
I feel like yo.
So what happened to you guys will get shoot today?
That the man they know is a criminal. See? Me know say he might have think, but he don't know me live. Me don't think he know me live.
Well, that I agree.
Who are you chat to in alien? Because he can easily get information for.
All Amanda me talk to one bad goat just then to somebody there your niece.
Headquarters I text me now.
So you're in a problem?
Hey, miss, it's not problem. Eh?
Jesus Christ,
But what's the problem?
You're frightened me.
No, you say me a frightened you.
You're frightened me, you know?
I feel hard week, you know for me? Yo, me can't stand certain things start. Jesus Christ.
So why you shoot him man for then if you know say you go put you in a problem?
The man come out with a hammer. Hammer. If he fling and bust me here, what thing will happen? Me have to put on man on him. Me no must protect myself.
Yes, if you
Serve and protect. Protect me too. Dirty criminal and dirty thief. Eh? All the man have to do is just go to the station and write his name, sign his name and that's it. Him now no one go down there go do it. Eh? You cook for a day?
Yeah, me cook.
What you cook?
Mackerel.
You laugh. You funny?
I drop my cook.
Mackerel for dog.
I drop me.
A dog you call me?
No, I'm not call a dog.
So what you say? And you laugh with it.
But that's why I drop with them wire chair.
Don't touch me chin, man.
You can just straight look at me. They're too serious for your Rasta police, man.
And you say Rasta police again?
Sorry.
Yo, you see that's something I tell you. Say every step of the way, yeah, disrespect I and I.
I'm not disrespect him, just say.
You know hard work for turn police? Eh?
No.
Undercover police at that. You see me in a uniform?
No.
You see me in a uniform.
Why you so aggressive? See how that root up with me.
Let me see the root of the bed. Let's root up this.
Another root up.
Eh? Let me see another. Who you think I talk to? Yo, me think, yo, me understand. Come on, see. Come over here, some boy.
Oh, this. Oh, you mean?
Come over here, some boy. Hey, boy, you remember me? Hey, boy.
Oh, this, yeah.
I am Mr. Easy. Yo, where you want search? A thief come for thief? Eh? He's the man. Yo. Hey! Why you shot? You shot it. Give me gun. The boy dead. Remember that? Why you scared? Come.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend.
Yeah, I mean this, what happen? No, me have to ask you what no, me a hooligan already. You call my phone and come ask me boy fashion is straight to the point. My uncle? Which part? No. Wait. Pause, no? And America shot him because that she don't really like me uncle in her worse. Like come go over there where they go big piece, one little soap. She come go on her for her face because she just shot me, no. So wait there. Who shot him? Some of my friends say who shot him, you call me and tell me for. Me want to know who shot him so I can go shot back the person. You know what? Me go look for my auntie. Because you see right now you tell me this, you tell me that, you can't tell me who shot him. But remember, you see if America shot him, me I go for America, me I go for you. Me I go for two of you. Alright, me go check my auntie.
Do nobody agree with that news because we hear from man. I know me can't believe, you know. Imagine me talk to him, you know. Me talk to him. Me say, B, don't bother pre no violence. Make it slide a police. If you get shot, it not now come out a hit. You know, listen. Me I make the food game. He not even it look like he already have a plan. Because I right after me give me food. Me give me food and he eat the cloth and he say he in a pain, him I go sleep. And by 15 minutes time, when me come in gone, me don't know what party in town. Yeah. Actually, I don't know me feel. You don't even understand. Me love you boy, you know. And if you never love him, I'll go through this with you. I'll meet police after, you know. And I sacrifice myself because of him and look where he go cause. See there? Me not feel like nothing gonna come out of that, you know. Me feel like nothing gonna come out of that. Right now, the way me stressed out, me not even want to see nobody. I swear me don't want to see nobody at this point in time. I don't want to see a soul. Not even me own mother. What? Hey, listen. Me can't take another deal, so me know you come to me with that. Eh? I lie you tell. Alright. Me know what you say.
Wake up. Me call no day and I want you to come out here now. Pack up your things them and come out because you they are the eat of my food them when me to get you know. So you have to go pack up your things them and come out here now and don't me have to pull you by that shot something them. Me not even know what that. And not even 40-inch bus down, not 20. You have to go come out now.
Behavior this.
Where me by?
Me a size.
Me a no size.
You come and
me can't be size. Look for me.
Me don't want HA no.
Yes, her too. Look for me good. I look for you. You will cock up in a bed, cock up foot pan wall.
So what? I hear us with
before you clean up a place, I want that you do.
No worry yourself.
Steal my house once my people them out of my house.
That's so
me say pack up your things them and come out and tap in an argument.
Are you me coming here too?
Me don't
Are you me coming here too?
Yeah, they eat off everything.
And me if you eat in my man place, nothing wrong with that. You're going to see I take your daddy.
Oh, me not take me daddy, but my place too. And I mean, when this I mean first in at this that me I tell so me why you come out, you have to go come out.
Are you work at night time?
Where they work? Where they work?
You
Yeah, they
don't-
work. Yes, sir.
You don't
Where
even
they
know
work?
that. You don't even know that. Just know to me and on the size.
Me pull out them hair. The best thing you do na come out here. Don't make me have to have nothing. I will not bigger than me shell it down. You know come out. You know come out. You come like you want me hold you by them there.
You see I know.
Father Godwa. Father Godwa.
Listen to me
Come
now.
out,
Me not
come
gonna argue
out,
with the
come
kaya
out,
little
come
picnic. You
out.
know
Me
what?
a
Me
little
just
picnic,
take
so when
it.
you
Me
sit
a
down, you
just
say,
take
"Nah,
it.
man, in
Me
there
a just
argue
take
with
it.
me."
Me can't
Come
bother
out,
with
come
you.
out, man, me kick you out too.
Me
Come
can't
out,
bother for you deal
show,
with you. You
show
not no
all,
manners.
come out, man, come out, and me feel down in this. Excuse. Bright.
Jesus say yes.
Me glad how me come see you right there, so auntie. Cause right now me a grieve, you know. Me a grieve, you know, so they shot uncle.
What?
They shot uncle. Me don't even know if he living or in dead right now, brother. And me feel like America, you know, coming. Me not like her, you know.
No. Hold on. How that even happen? Cause guess what now?
It's a phone call me get auntie me there me yard and somebody call me right now. Watch a cold bumper swarm
Me
me.
hear you say about Marika. As bad, me no feel say Marika would do such a thing.
You don't know America. You don't know America. Me go over there already and the mama pull gun for me. And me say pull gun, I mean the mama pull gun for me and she know she did me.
So what happened to brother now? Where
Me don't even know if he living or in dead. It's a phone call me get and the person will call me never say no. And me ask who shot him them now answer.
My heart and my soul and my ribs and
You have to go deal with the heart and soul and ribs there right now and put it up because we're ready to go. Me know if in the hospital we go, but we are going to walk and we are going to look for him.
Yeah, me
So
go look
get
for
up.
him. But me just want you to know, say, you see the Christian role me a play? It nah go bother go so.
Next year we'll take up that.
And that me dey make a know so anybody we shot my brother shall pay for that. Lord forgive me. Come on.
It's like you didn't know me have come to you.
Why? You like them lane there, no?
Walk up, man. You walk too slow. You move so slow.
Girl, remember say your body young after me, you know.
Hello. You say, man do what? No, me not hear you talk louder, no? Alright. Until you wagwan.
Wagwan.
You know say Amanda man shot uncle. Me think America all along, you know, me I tell you the truth, you know. I when you up the start
How you
talk,
not
me
say
still
to
think
me?
America.
What you not say to me? So what go on now?
Right now, me don't even know what to say. Me I
What
tell
you
you
know?
the truth.
I'm under responsible for it. Come on.
So we say if we can't find the man, we do something to you, man.
What me just say? I'm under responsible for it. Come on.
Ah.
Amanda!
Come out there, so. Come out there, so.
How you see my shit?
Imagine. Me hear say a man shot my uncle, you know, so all that go right now.
Who's your uncle?
You want me lick something in your head, make you have sense, girl? Don't come quint to be here then, pa me, cause...
Who are your uncle, right?
Oi, Oi.
Don't come at me yard for.
Oi.
Yeah,
Here
me
say I
just
you.
raise the voice off her.
Set up my brother life.
Hey! God forbid me? How me if it's...
Where your man dey?
Where your man dey? You know your minister ask her one question.
Listen.
Mama, if me have to ask you again,
My
where your
man
man...
dead, our. In dead. Yeah. You not heard me. He's dead. In dead.
No, no name dead.
Whatever the word be in dead.
Auntie, how that one they go?
I'm very
I don't believe
confused.
her, no.
I'm very confused.
You know why I see the picture?
Cause as she set up my brother life
Mama,
and they start
picture
chat
no
off
mean
your mouth.
nothing. Picture no mean nothing. No. And right now, me a talk to you laugh and to grieve me. So remove that off of your face.
So let me get this straight.
How comes your man dead? When him dead, where him dead, more all of the information now. Talk.
And how he dead?
Mama, me say more all of the information.
Yo, me
Stop
niece.
back on me.
Me niece.
Mama, if I never you know say who the dead? We all look pan girl, me a talk to you.
Hey.
The girl hey. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Do something now.
Shut him 2 minutes. Can they ask what? Hey.
Girl, I pretty and I know.
Shut me
I
too.
pretty and I know. See, I box me now and box it and right to say no. Anyway, yeah, play
Just
with
relax
it. Are you up to relax yourself, mama?
I don't need to come out of me house.
No, me not go.
Come
You
out
not
of me
even know
yard.
us from yard.
Come out of
How that one there go?
Come out of me yard. The two are unu.
Auntie, what you say go on for this? I know me a pretty care, I'm gonna time up now, so answers, you know.
Girl, I true you don't even know I'm on there right now. But I true the God, they inside I'm same way. Girl, you see, Ansness we sleeping last night, sleep in the back.
Auntie, you do too much talking.
No, listen. Me not do no too much talking, you know. You realize I didn't even touch her from me there, so. No,
can't deal with the bag of talking.
You're going to left your yard. But remember me tell you, sleep back in the same ants nest. Okay, see next time, you not go pretty. And a box you go get her kicked down. Come on.
No, not even make one.
Hurt me. You leave it in there. Hello? So, I pay time for woman until she come in.
103, yeah, they gave him a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s, had a light blonde hair, light brown hair, we had a mustache, looked like.
You see, really and truly, what go on which day there? Never for go on, cause I first time I experienced them sitting in a police force. You understand?
Yes.
And me tell you, I already said don't fire your gun. See, me tell you, said don't fire the gun because you can put me in a trouble. You understand? Because if the chief never believes say me are the baddest thing in the place, he wouldn't think say something else go on. Like,
No.
I'm going to wipe off a fingerprint off of the gun and then something else.
Listen. You realize I'm me save your life?
Save his life?
If me never did that dead, you know? You know that?
The bullet grazed my foot. And if you know say I graze the bullet grazed my foot.
So you tell me, sir, this is a thanks so me get?
And I'm not that thanks, me I say you almost put me, alright, here what?
Oh, me almost put in a problem. True, me touch a gun, me kill a boy.
But me tell you, say don't touch a gun. That me tell you. Me tell you that from morning.
You know, so you're ungrateful?
It's not a matter of ungrateful. You're putting me in a problem, girl. And you have to understand that.
Oh, me put you in a problem to save your
Like,
life.
yes,
To
but...
your life, me save. And me put you in a problem?
But what if you never, smart now and wipe off your dirty hand off of the gun? Eh?
You smart?
What?
If you did smart, the boy would come at your house.
No, because, look, normally I over the corner of my spot. No, you push me over the next side because you talk madness on my head.
Me
And
push you over the
yeah,
side.
because me's a bad...
No, you didn't prepare for the man coming at your house.
Are you calling me Rasta police?
No, you didn't. Can you Rasta police?
You
You're
still
the Rasta
you
police.
still call me Rasta police? You still call me Rasta police? Eh? Me tell you stop calling me Rasta police.
Shot me.
And no matter that, listen to me. Me not, hey, you see based on this, me not like how this a work out, you know.
You're not gonna like how it work out because you're ungrateful and you know to say somebody love
You
and
now
care
see
for you.
my point in a woman.
Alright, let me see it, pint.
That is the problem.
Let me see it, pint.
You
Let
can't-
me see it.
I be this a go on, you can't do this. And you will hear the point because you can't see it.
Talk.
I am an officer of the law.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want no business coming out. Just shut it. Because you jeer me when you say I am an officer of the law. You Jesus, pretty much.
Me have to reply back to you. If I don't reply back to you, go say me not
I don't
reply.
have enough gas can carry back up here. Listen to me, I say. I am saying to you, I am the officer of the law. And you have to understand. Say, you can't put me in a bigger problem. No. Two things to this thing, you know. Either me go to jail, or I'm dead. But me I'm not dead, which is good. But the next thing is because I'm dead in a jail. Because me know as a police, no I go to jail.
Rasta. Yeah, me a hear.
You know, so I'm a little niece when right. There's something about you I want to know about me if I go find out. Because
Find
you know,
out,
listen.
you know?
Because you, oh, you help. Come out. Come out. Come out, Michael. Come out.
You think me did anything kind of
Come
first
out. Come out,
place?
Michael. And your bag, you better come for your dirty bag. Because last night,
Drive safe and hope nobody not catch up on the road.
are you for walk safe and man, buck your big toe. You think me not left you? Girl, you think me not left you? What is that called?
Sitting by the bar, trying to slip away scars is the hardest thing to do, yeah. Now I'm puffing on a cigarette, hoping that I will forget the greatest thing was you. Trying to chill in my zone, feeling pretty slow. What else to do, yeah. Now I'm sipping on the strongest drink, hoping not to think about your pretty face. Oh, I wish that you were here. I can't go on, the feeling's wrong without my baby. I need my baby.
Hello. You know, let me away from your team and drop asleep. I want to talk to you.
I'm money you come to give me.
Which money?
What me by listen to me and I'm on the foolishness with you know. Cause imagine you left your 2 weeks now and you not call and you not text me about me money what you owe me. So I money you come bo?
Me didn't have that on my mind right now. Right now I'm stressed out.
What you mean by you not have that for your mind, girl? And money me I talk about. Alright, I'm not there for your foolishness, you know. Cause right now they shot me brother, you know. So if I know money you come for give me, you better just erase yourself and right. That's why me don't talk. A different pre me depend right now, you know. So what you say?
I'm going to get your money. I'm going to get your money before the week done. But I want to talk to you. I want to come back in.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus
I
Christ.
think so. If me did leave, would have better, but it get worse. Stress. Seem like when they just pick me up, just.
Girl, you see, if you're stressed, can't stay for last. Cause my brother come first right now. Then shot my brother, and I done, me get done so right now. So fear stress mean nothing to me. I get what me I say. So, me can't manage this a type of foolishness right now where I come with.
I understand you have an issue with the family thing, but you don't have no figure.
You know, so me I talk too long now. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Go on, get up.
Alright.
Girl, go on out of me yard.
Alright.
Come out of me yard. Me they a start till I say, right now they shot me brother and me, they are so stressed out there. Come and go tell me boy you stressed out. Girl, go on. Cause me nobody Christian. Nonsense.
103 out. Yeah, they tell you about white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light one, yeah.
babysit. Hello, let me tell you something. You see the babysit work there? Done. There's something there done. Me stop the babysitting. Damn bright. Call me, brother. Nonsense. Pick up, na man. Bro.
Hello.
What me here say I go on with you?
My sister, if I tell you honest truth, man, the thing me went dead. Come like you really true for tell me say I'm going to police force.
Me did I warn you. Boy, you never listen to what me I say. So who shot you?
You know, say I want
Hoodlum. Say hoodlum.
Hoodlum.
Eh.
I'm basically, man, tell you say, and the girl, I'm a girlfriend, saved my life in America. Yeah, man, so, you know, everything I process up on one thing, but, you know, me I take a week off of the, you know, the whole police force, because, you know, they need to kill me, but the bullet just grazed my foot. Grazed my left foot, you know, the doctor say.
Oh, cause Shanice come over here a while ago. And she say, Auntie, then shot uncle. So me I say, who shot uncle? She say, America. Me I say, no, sir. As bad, America nah shot you.
Well, not a true, because if I never see me think when I'm dead.
No say so. Nobody say so. Nobody say so, cause right now, yeah. Right now, you know what I mean by when me I say right now, you know. You know what I mean, though?
I don't want you to turn badness because of the whole chicken. When you understand, say, at the end of the day, it's a situation where you make the law take care of it, man. You understand?
Make the what? Make the what take care of it?
The law, the LAW.
Okay, so when I did I get shot other day, the LAW they take care of you?
Yeah, man, well,
Your sister, you don't have no sense. No, me say your sister, you don't have no sense. You don't have no sense at all. When the hoodlum did come to shot you and kill you, the lad did take care of it. You damn me need that. Come on, my phone. You don't have no sense. I can't tell me what to do.
Yeah, they gave him a white baseball cap on at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had a mustache. Looked like
Hello? Mommy? Mommy, no, me don't alright. Mommy, something happened. Something happened between me and Patrick. Mommy, no, it look like me have to go come back home because today me am talking in a vehicle and he run me out of vehicle. Alright, listen. Me go tell her what happened, but me don't want you to panic. Just, you sit down. Alright, get some more you do. Sit down. When you sit down, you make me know. Alright. So, what day me and Patrick come from work? And me and him did that talk. No, we never did that talk. We did that argue. No, we did that talk. No, me don't remember what we did that do, but we did that do something in our house. Yeah. And then, he did that say have a bad day at work because he shot somebody. So we did the attack, Arcus, one of them. Bam, somebody pop in our house, draw out gun, shot Patrick. So me did have to draw Patrick gun and shot. Mommy, me not got no jail. What you ball for? That not nothing for your ball over. At least me there still. Me still alive. Me not dead or nothing. No, no, the Patrick can just get a grade. Grange. Grade, yeah. Mommy, calm down. Calm down. Yeah, me shot somebody. But please don't tell nobody because nobody at all nothing know. And true, yeah, remember that me I tell you, but nobody else nothing know. Mommy, what you mean me fi go and back go look about Patrick? No, me nah go back go look about Patrick. The man run me out and car, so I sense me I'll go back go look. Me can't. Listen, mommy, that now go work. Patrick, no. Alright. Me go listen to what you say and go back. No problem. Mommy. Alright, later.
Up I say there? A man here come?
What you mean?
What you mean so what I mean? You know, when I drive around the place and almost shut off a gas. What you do here, sir? And me carry you come here, sir, so me have to carry you back. Because your mother, I bet so if your mother go here, say, something go do now, me go be fault. Hey.
Are you running out to your car now?
Why you say me not take care?
Why you running out?
Because you chat too much. You make everything a problem.
How me make everything a problem
you
when
mean?
you ungrateful? You not even say thanks for me save your life.
I tell you again, say it's not about thanks to save my life. It's about say you put me in a problem and you take me out tight in a problem. Still, because right now I can't go to work.
Why you can't go to work?
Because it's the whole situation. I have to investigate. I have to investigate to find out what going on and all these things. Because me don't know for what reason them feel like I know me fire the gun. Because police not supposed to fire so much shot. I won in a chest.
So why you not just tell them the truth and done?
And done what? And done with my career? Me love my job, you know.
See, that's the thing. That's why you can't go back to work.
So what you have to
because
do
you not tell the truth. You have to talk the truth. Make them know what really good down. And everything we alright.
A place I get too dark, you know. Find back your car. You come or you stay.
Me don't have no choice. Unlike say me know
So because you have no choice, you want to come or you want to stay? What you want to do?
Me a come. Me a forward.
Come to talk to you. Can I come in?
You only have 5 minutes. Come.
5 minutes? With no friend? What you mean by 5 minutes?
You only have 5 minutes.
Because you play a bed car right now, foot time, my wife from far. And I'm cheering it, also, you don't play a bed.
Wait a second.
You know, so me come in your yard or something more to talk to you, but where you have yourself? Are we no friend?
Girl, it's not about friend. What you want?
Well, me just want to just make up back because you know, so we friendship did a long time we are friends. Well, let me tell you why I come here too. I just want to make up back with friendship for real. But just when I stay the night, yeah, I miss the friendship.
Wow. So you come on my yard to ask for friendship to stay in my yard?
No, not like that.
Just want that me get out of way.
Just want if you just have a conversation to you agree at what I am saying. The other day that they just me never did really want it to come out like that. But me just sorry and me just want friendship to go back like this.
Well, if you want our friendship to go back like this, it's going to take a long period of time.
I wonder why. It seems like you no get no weed from morning. Because me not understand this. Look how long we are friends and it just the mistake will happen back then. You got them about a long period of time.
Let me tell you something about people. You see, perhaps somebody do something one time, they're going to do it again.
No. A long time you know me and it's the first time we ever have a disagreement. Don't. And me never promise you. I just want to just get back normal. And seems like you not connect to what me I say.
Nope.
Me know. Because you come like say you want weed right now. I mean not if you give you.
Anyways, as you can see.
See what?
Me literally not in a good mood.
Me see you're in a one good mood because this is not you. Exactly. But what I'm saying is that can you just let me stay for the night and we just have an agreement on what I'm saying?
Well, me not stop her for stay. You can stay. You know what's a TV dead?
What? TV dead? So wait, that was me just I know that. I can't say you don't have nothing to do with me. Because anything happen, me are the first one to know it out of your mouth.
Why you feel like me a move so?
Me don't know because TV dead.
TV dead.
What happened?
What happened? You not hear what happened?
I know me not hear what happened.
He get gunned down.
Me tell you, I feel like you would love them alone, you know, ear.
Listen, me not really want to go this at this point in time. Me literally no want to go
this. I understand, because I don't want to go there right now either.
Me I go through stress. Me get tricked. At this point in time, me have a lot of going in my head right now.
Before everything happened, me tell you say if you would love them alone because them is not a good people and once they can't catch them, them are come for you.
Come for me?
Yes, persons.
A matter of fact, I'm going to change the pattern of how me do things. You said me are your friend, right?
You me your friend, man, long time too.
I'm going to see how true that is. But you follow me go somewhere.
Me confused right now. Where one for you go?
No worry about that. When we reach there, you will know. So it's either you're in or you're out. Choose. Yeah, take too long to choose. How are you breathe so hard? It's either or either.
Where we are go?
Mama. Me say. You don't even know that. When we reach where we are go, you will know where we are go. Choose.
Girl, how we are go?
Yeah, follow me or you not follow me?
Me go follow you, man.
So why the backside you keep on and stop me?
But me never know say I don't say you come. I don't say woman read me house living now.
Don't you think I know that?
So we are go.
Like me say, when we reach the destination, you know. Now you can lock chat and come on. Come on.
It's like you lose a mind or something. You're really mad in your head, you know?
No, I'm not mad in my head.
Because what could have caused all of this now? For you take your dirty self come on my veranda.
You forgot say, you and your niece approach me in my yard. So I feel like say, it would have been a nice honor if I could do the same. Yeah.
So after everything, what you and your man put my brother Patrick through, you really have it hard city if you come from my veranda and chat as a stinking mouth girl. Eh?
Oh, yeah,
I wonder, let me tell you something, you know. Not true, me a Christian. You feel like say, me no got it. Look for me good. Because it come like say you never see sick yet. Head no good. No, what ya do ya?
You want to know what I do ya? Listen. Me not in the bag of long talking. You and your niece come on my yard. Your niece all box with my face.
Hold on there. So a gun. You really come pull off for me. In a me own yard.
You not see.
You in a this too?
No.
Hey girl. Hey girl. Yo, I wonder if you don't know who me real. Yo, I'm to them girl man. And look idiot girl me rent me house come plan up on me. I'm telling you, idiot, man. Who in a year for that? I'm too, no, man. Oh, brother. Patrick. Where they? You alright now? You have to go report this, you know. The girl Amanda come on me yard, come pull gun for me. And a World War III we just put on around here. No, me not get no shot. Go link me right now. Yo. Bro. I don't know where you get yourself in here, you know. But this affect me right now. Because I can't believe say the girl Amanda really out her mind. If you come here so. Come pull gun for me. What can go so?
You know, sir, I understand everything you say. And I can't believe say that you go on. But you know, I'm police. Where you get illegal gun from?
What is it?
Where you get illegal gun
No,
from?
listen to me, no, bro. Don't worry about that, you know.
No, listen. It's not about worry about that. I'm police. I have to understand so I have to do my job, I love my job. And when I'm carrying people and there's something there. Sis, where you get illegal gun from?
I buy. Run a one part.
Can you remember that gun there, you know? A thief, then thief it from me, you know. And like, what I don't know, because when you call me and tell me say shoot out go, I say, I hope you're involved in it. So what you want to shoot her?
Yeah. One in her hand and one in her foot. And salute two in her ear. Bro. Some girl fi know themselves.
Alright, but what me I say to you is this. Who started? Are you, so she just come and just shoot, so? You want to see her before and beat her up or something, fight, go on?
Listen.
How you go?
Me and Shanice go down there.
Mm.
With niece. And me say to her, me go in her yard peacefully, you know. And we say to her, say, who shot my brother? And the girl start going with himself. Oh, yeah, talk about, oh, yeah, brother, and my man dead. And this, so me say, Shanice, rrr.
And Shanice lick her in her face?
And Shanice jape her up. But I don't like the Shanice lick her in her face. Shanice just jape her up, that's all.
So sister, what?
And jerk her.
So me now, as a police officer now, hearing these things, what do you think we should do?
Arrest her.
Arrest her, and then you shoot out on this scene. I told him I forgot arrest.
Huh?
Yeah, because obviously, sister, I love my job, and sister. I was telling that before now. Remember one last time I tell you so? I'm gonna say to you, so, sister, don't talk certain things and do certain things and make me have to come for you, because me come for you.
So brother, me a defend you in a all kind of way. And you go tell me, say, you go arrest me?
No, I'm not.
You come like so you're sick all night. You're sick.
Listen me, sister.
You're sick or something?
Listen me, sister. Just hear me out. Because you're my sister and I love you. But you have to understand, say, this right now, I can't even report it. Because right now, if nobody go hear about these things, me no problem.
Cover me up. Cover up my side. And that you do, cover up my side.
Alright, here what I'm going to know. Me never there.
No, you talk.
But at the end of the day, you have to go maybe take with yourself. Because I know somebody hear the bullets and them something and then go call police.
The girl is there too.
Which girl went there?
I look nice brown and when me did rent the room in a shop. Mona.
Sister, you hear me, sir? Me go pretend like me never there. And just know, say, me go try my best to cover as much as me can. You hear, sister? But me can only do what me can do.
Bro, just do what you do. And as what you say, you're something to take on myself, so I'm going to take on myself
take with yourself for a few days.
But me just want to get off to know, say, yo, you not done yet. I just that me I say, you not done yet. Because anywhere me see her, I kill me, I kill that.
Hey. Me a police, you can't talk them things that make people hear the conversation. Bush have eat. Listen, me, I say, no, man. Me need
police.
Me need to secure, man. Go and put up.
Through your police, I feel like me care.
Alright. You see me a talk
Or because you're my brother, I feel like me care.
Sister.
When the man then he come in and come shut you up. Yo, you know what? Yo, go on where I go to ya, man.
Sister Cherry, how am I not seeing you in the church?
I Pinky my name. Don't call me no Sister Cherry again.
No, me can't call you by that name. You know that already. And what happened?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Me have whole heap of things that go on right now in my life. And if it's long in the church, that can't help me right now, you know.
No, Sister Cherry.
Me say no call me no Sister Cherry. Call me Pinky. That the name dead and gone. Call me Pinky.
No, you have to understand, you know. I'm a man of God. A man of God is gonna call you by your respectable name. I don't know you as know that name. I know you as Sister Cherry. But anyway, sitting down in the church, yes, me understand what you know. But Sister Cherry, you have to understand, you know, the Lord wants us to be in His house. So, if you think, say, not sitting down there is a better life, it's going to be a bad situation. You understand?
Man of God.
Yes,
Man of God.
Yes.
How much time you call a name?
3 times.
Man of God.
Yes.
When me did there in our church.
Yes.
See me, I'll take off my hat here. When me did there in our church.
Yes, sister.
I don't know I preach, I don't know I go on, I don't know I get in tongues, and make me go and get in our tongues in our church.
Yes, sister.
Right?
You
not feed me?
Well, you know.
Enough time me there, me yard, man of God, and hungry, kill me. And me a soon no?
Well.
Enough time me want clothes on my back, food on the table, and whole heap of things.
Well.
You not give me nothing?
Well, Sister Cherry, let me tell you something. It's when you come on to the church rely on the people to throw the offering. So we can build a bigger church. So we have more souls to save. But when you come on to the food part, if we get barrels from foreign and them expired, we will issue out them to the
Hold on, what you mean by if and they expired?
No,
I'm not talking about this, you know, calm and rice, so not give people, you know, fit happy.
No,
me not take them from because you see, you see a man who sit down in the church and not chat people, not chat them go and not chat them come.
No, I mean like that, Sister Cherry.
So what you mean by issue or the
because sometimes the barrel is on the sea too long, we still get out. Right? We get out. Because nothing wrong with it, same way, it's still eatable. It's eatable. So you have to understand, you can't rely on the church to feed you. The church rely on you to drop your offering each Sunday.
Yeah, when me drop my last offering and me go home.
God will multiply what you drop in the basket. You understand? So you get the point?
Yeah, but man of God.
No, I'll tell you the truth. You want to know the truth why I'm here?
Yes.
I heard that you've been bossing gun down here like a wild hog. You've been bam, round and round.
Hold on there.
Where did you get that gun?
Where you hear that from? How you know that?
There's something I never said in church, but I'm going to preach it Sunday coming. I was a gangster back then. And one of me look at Tuggy one time back then when me and him used to bow poi. Him still in a hit. Him come check me and tell me, say, one of me member. Me couldn't believe that you, Sister Cherry.
Alright, listen, man of God, listen. Yeah, listen?
Yeah.
They shot me, brother. So me go back.
No, you don't render. Listen.
Man of God, you know what say? What you tell me, so tell me no, you just come through the ears and go back to your next ears.
No.
Not tell me say
Let me block it. Let me block it. Let me block it. Listen good. Listen good. You can't render evil for evil. You have to do good. Somebody have to be a hero. You cannot, not because they shoot your brother.
Hold on, man of God.
You go back, go shoot somebody else.
And the Bible
brother.
you're supposed to use and I use a finger and I talk up. Man of God, listen now, listen. Me is no longer Miss Cherry. Me a Pinky. Pinky you have to call me. Pinky. Pinky. You understand? They shot me brother. And me go back for them. Something wrong with that? No. You can't tell me what to do. You see the one, he remember where you have where my pam, see him where. Go and go tell him say if you can't give life to God and nobody come bother me in the evening. Yeah.
I try many times with him. But when you're stubborn like him, it's the same thing. You already did save. Why you do that? Why you do that?
Man of God.
You don't respect God?
Man of God. Listen now. Bygone for bygone. Me not disrespect you none at all, but you need to just leave right now. Because what you said to me don't make no sense.
So I say come down.
Me say me not disrespect you, but what you said to me don't want to hear right now.
Alright, Sister Cherry. Alright.
Nice to see you in the evening,
Remember,
sir.
somebody come give you a good warning and a good blessing. Please, stick to God.
One last thing. Yeah, me go stick to God. One last thing. You see, when I see the evil them a come from me way, and the weapon them a come from me way, rebuke it and send it back.
Yeah, then say no weapon formed against me shall prosper. That's why you shouldn't pull no gun. You should have slow and go in front of it.
So what me ask one question? Me should have met the person come in the yard and kill me.
No.
So if me dead, so uno see him, uno look good. You see, God a hold me mouth, you know. God a hold me mouth. If uno see him one come name out me curry chicken and me white rice and me chicken back and me soup what them all make at me funeral. So you did want them come and kill me. And that's what you want. Okay. Me never know. See me, I'm dead now.
I never know you're so heartless.
I know heartless.
Come and see me at church tomorrow, please.
Man of God.
Come on.
People turn me back so. Yeah?
No.
They shouldn't mess with me, brother.
No, listen. Come and talk to me tomorrow. Come see me tomorrow. First thing, I'm going to cancel meeting tomorrow just for you. Come and see me tomorrow. We need to dip you in the holy water. Come and see me. Why are you laughing?
I'm out of holy water. No give me an olive oil, me dung.
No, you never get them.
And not me can't go on for me. You look a piece of chaka house up there so. Me no soon no come and say, see some money and I look a package on always I give out and say, take it and try if you fix up the house. Me have to rent it so the piece of chaka board house. What the same look nastiness. Come on that day, come lick down my chichi board. Man of God, later, no disrespect.
Check me tomorrow, remember, please.
I shall check you later.
Check me tomorrow. Oh God. Save them soul, Lord.
Watch him. Boy, man of God. You go cancel meeting tomorrow. I don't know meeting I can see, you know. It's a girl I cancel. Rubbish.
Girl. Look how long me not see you waited there.
You just step in my yard, say nothing but call. Girl,
because me see you sit down right there, so when me they call for. So how you not come to school?
Girl, school can't help me right now.
Girl, me here see your uncle get shot.
And that with you know. That's why me don't like you, Amelia. You hear everybody business, I know everybody business.
So girl, what make you go on to know? No, me and your friend.
Me and no friend, girl. Me not keep friend with you. You too
so you get suspended from school. That's you don't come back to school and something. You have to still come back to school.
Mama, allow me and my suspension and my shot uncle. Go on here, you get too mix up.
Me mix up?
Yes, Mama.
No, when me go allow you to do what you want to do, you know. Make me go on my yard.
Mama, go on your yard. Go on your yard before me stone you. And learn to wash your clothes good, because underneath you bleach out.
How that? Oh, brother.
What you say I'm doing?
Oh, Lord. We're glad you come. So sit down now.
A 3 hours it take me to reach on your son. I still sit down in a vehicle to reach on your son. Me not come here so to sit down. What you say? You call me what you want, what happened?
Just sit down. You don't want to sit down, your foot not tired.
You know me stay already, you know me dark and stay. And I me not come here to sit down. You call me come talk to me. What you say, what happened to you?
Alright. So, whole pasa. So, I'll start a pasa and go down right now. You know what's the me nearly get shot?
What you say to me?
Me have to boom flick, skilly bop
No.
over the people them fence.
So how me no know nothing about this? How me just...
All Tibi dead.
This a most joke here. Tibi dead?
Yeah, Tibi dead run 1 week ago. And Fran
I
Tibi...
never really like the youth there, no, but me...
Fran Tibi dead, I be a pasa. Who no after me a try kill me?
So why you wait so long? If make me know all of them something here.
Because I know you steer. That's why I never want to tell you dark and fool and have no sense up yourself.
Who shoot off fire?
That you know where police boy name?
Police shoot off fire?
No man, I know him shoot after me man and his sister. But I don't remember what name. What name again? I don't remember what name. But yeah, did have warrant for me.
Warrant? So me no know what?
Me tell you say all sort of something happen. And through the police get shot, TV got shot the man. The policeman woman end up kill Tibi. The policeman's sister after me. Nearly kill me. I lucky thing me could have jump high. If me could have jump and duck, would have dead.
So me could have turn a work, turn a Kingston, turn a work and here say you're dead down here. Me come bury you down here.
I could have hear say me dead.
And you know say nothing to me.
Me know how you steer, that's why me not tell us certain things.
So you prefer me stay, you prefer them kill you down here?
Me never said that, you know.
But that you said to me right now.
But me no want you put yourself in no trouble. That's the thing.
So,
I don't want you put yourself in no trouble. Me done in a trouble
you
already.
drink. You sound like you drink or you smoke. So you depend stop, not you?
Me could tell when last me born weed.
You know, say you talk to me right now. Me don't feel like you just way you talk to me and you say things. You know, sound serious. You sound like a joke. Because right now, look on your face. You don't look like your life in no problem to me.
Of
want
course,
a joke
danger. You don't believe that what me just say?
You have to believe because upon your face, oh you look upon your face, you don't look like something like that go on for you.
I become strong. Tell you say if I never grace of God, I would have deaded.
Alright, hear me and say no. Me are your bigger brother. I'm me responsible for you. You see me build a house and live here in a hit. By the way, how you get involved in them kind of something here? Because them something are not supposed to go on. Me left you with a warning before me left. Them something are not supposed to go on. Tell me what really go on. How it start? What really go on? Because right now, where you take now make no sense.
Well, me did the panel commission.
What kind of mission?
You have to know all that too.
Yeah, me want to know what kind of mission.
Me and my friend used to sell drugs.
Drugs?
Yes.
Drugs?
Yeah. And you said me tell you how it start.
So how you, why you choose that?
Me not know. We just start sell drugs and the police get involved and he get a warrant and me end up having thief back. And he must come at me yard and him and my man catch in an argument and he end up shot Tibi and Tibi say I go for him and me tell Tibi if you don't go. And he sneak out and still go and they end up him and the woman end up kill him. Tibi end up shot back him man, but him end up dead in the process. Them think I me set it up. That the policeman sister think I me set it up. Him and his knees reach a me yard. Run 2 days after Tibi dead and them pop up on my yard and warn me. So me go after them. And we do a shootout and
You know me stay, you know. Not because you grow to a big one, me mash you up, you know. Me we mash you up. And at that me left you down yourself to do. Me lick in your face for you.
Oh,
You hear me say? Now we slap in your face. Yo, get up and pack up your things them. You can't stay here, so man, after you fi kill you, you can't stay here, so.
So you can't give me until tomorrow.
Get up.
Me
Take up
things
your bag.
My things are ready. Yeah.
Go through the door.
It takes so long with the juice. Come on, give me the little $100 juice. Can I never thirsty more to come here shop? Auntie, up here you had me a coming now.
So we are cussing and go along so far.
Cause look how I'm there, Sam Pam now and give me a little juice. But yeah, everybody ready for drink this. Me here's a shooting going up your yard. Imagine, I say you not take up back nothing. And you gotta take it back up?
No, listen, my niece, listen. Bygones to bygones. Listen. Me sit down in my yard good. Have me strap on me because me I say, me I look out for anything. Right? The same dirty girl when named Amanda come with her friend that are the one that me rent the house. But she come out. Pull out gun for me. Listen, you know. Pull out gun for me and say, remember when you and your niece come up here and your niece drape me? So me just ease back so and relax myself. Because remember in a real life, me a bad people. I'm not afraid of no girl and no boy. So me not shock her no. You don't know say, the girl start pointing for me. So you see by the time she looks so, I just cop out for me one. And knock 2 upon her.
So wait,
and bust 3 in her ear for salute.
You know my time for that, no. You want to tell me, say, I mean, cause this, so you me buzz up the girl mouth, she come back up in your yard with weapon? No, I really need to see her.
Yeah, and she come to kill me. So what you
so
would
wait,
like?
let me ask you something. You shot catch her?
I mean, she get 2, and I bust 3 for salute.
So why she still living? Anyway, when you shoot, you don't feel left.
No, listen, Shanice, listen. Right now, I'm still in a problem.
What kind of problem?
Because the little shootout was going up there with me and her.
So who see?
Listen to me, I never want to kill her now. It's a warning me give her. Say, girl, see you next time. No come back here, so.
So auntie,
say, see, me the want to kill her, me kill that easily. Cause she dey on my veranda.
So you hear nothing about uncle?
Well, me and him have a little talk, you know. Cause I see him night, then I have to call him. I have to say, bro, come here so right now, I'm in him talk. You know when man will tell me, say, boy, God, the man will tell me, say, true, me tell him, say, I have to go report this. The man will tell me, say, him can't lock up she alone, he have to go lock up me and her. So me get so mad and tell him, say, look, man, take out a warrant, go where they go, go on where they go, and go through my door and slam that. So here what him say now, him say me not fit, the more pretend like him never come at me yard. So me say, okay then, if I that you want, do that. So right now, me can't do it yet because me have to just stay low key.
Hey man. You know say uncle did that to auntie. I feel like America. America they put things in her head. Yes the uncle him poor. If the girl tell him say jump him ask so high.
No, listen me niece, listen. Me no feel America would do such a
You
thing.
know, you know no sense.
No, listen to me niece, listen up.
No,
listen,
you dey
listen,
grieve me, auntie. You dey grieve me. You grieve me. You tell me say your own blood. Your own blood.
Listen to me, I forgot you forgot how way to talk to. Me and your auntie have little manners.
No, but then it's my fault.
Don't do that again, little girl. Have manners.
Take my heart in the coming out. Take your fear.
Listen to me. Stop from paint bad picture on the girl. And him come down, they can't tell me what a female I'm saying. Relax.
Because she tell him to come down there. You know no sense.
You know what?
You know no code.
You know what? Take a look at time and go on. Because you see true, you go jape them. And I'm going to bring you back at me when me I go do my mission. I feel like, say, you're big now. Take a look at time. Go, Shanice, go on in the blood of Jesus. Go on. See if you care about the Lord name. Go on, Shanice, go on. Anytime you have little manners, you call me.
You know, say no sense to her. But me allow you.
Shanice, the Lord will help you. Because you see, if you never my niece.
Chief.
Patrick, what go on?
Chief.
You ever see my yard, boss, man?
No, boss. But me can the report was made. Everything went down on the place there. You know.
Look for me. Me like an idiot here. Who get you this work?
Are you, boss? You.
All
Chief.
right. You're undercover. Zin? And you work undercover. And the reason why I get you as an undercover because of how you stay. Nobody can detect you because you're a Rasta man. With your hair and stuff, look for you.
Yes, Chief.
You understand what I mean?
Yes, Chief.
But for the long and the short, still, I'm not idiot in the boss, man.
But what do you mean by that, you idiot, Chief?
A little thing will go on, dog, you know. I mean, no say involved, you know.
No, are you going? I was doing a report. Well, the report is there, Chief.
Listen to me. You ever do not now write a report where you say multiple? It never happened yet. I mean, not stupid. It's not you do it.
All right, Chief.
Be clear with me, man. It's not you do it. Listen, before you say nothing, I get yourself no problem. But me have to go do. Me have to. Or give a suspension. You know,
suspension, boss?
Yeah, man, until further, notice and investigation and so forth. Because I'm not stupid. I know where I'm going.
But, boss, suspension?
Yes, man. I have to give probably a week or two.
2 weeks off?
Yeah, man, you have to get it off. So.
But normally you get suspension, they don't cut your pay.
Yeah, worry about pay. Are you serious? Is that thing, my youth? Eh? You are worried about pay? Look here, man. Me not this thing longer than you. I mean, trust you enough to promote you and do what you do because I are tired, where you can't work in and blend in.
Yes, Chief.
And you think say me don't know where I'm going. Be frank with me.
All right. Like, I went just self-defense all the way because the hoodlum come in and, they just start fire. But I mean, forget, say from my family house, sir. But, Chief, as me say, I don't like I run me and I hide, So nobody feel say I hide, I don't like that.
I mean, I say nothing in the boss, but you know me already.
Chief.
Right. So, anyway, you have to go take it,
So just 2 weeks?
2 weeks. You have to go take a suspension and stuff. Boy. But as me say, I read the report and you write something false, so all that again, so. False report that. Me not stupid.
All right, but.
Me not stupid.
All right, so me can correct everything. I just.
Anyway, you're the your own pan this, See, because I know you, and I know about you, and I know say you deep down you're a good youth, So, anyway, I'm going to do that one.
All right, me just take it 2 weeks, boss.
All right, do that. And then further on, we see what I go on. Because I never really want, you understand what I mean? But something I figure be done. You have to go take a little break and then we proceed and see what go on because it can't just go so.
Alright, Chief. Respect and manners. Yeah? Highly appreciate this, sir. And you're not going to regret it, Chief. Saying Chief, you're not going to regret it. Alright, Chief.
Alright, sir.
Alright, Chief.
And you need to do something about them mosquito there, yard, boss. I get them almost kill me there before you come.
Respect, Chief.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On the journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time, one friend at a time. Yeah, I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool.
See, lately I found out as long as your heart is strong, then you will carry on.
Why?
I wish breeze blow ya. Hey, no lamina see you. Bro. Like say sit now do you. How are you?
Cherry, what do you? Every day something happen to somebody. What happen to you?
What you do me? How?
Look how you sit on the roadside like what happen to you?
You know what me a do so?
What you do, sir?
I something me a wait pan. So you mean by where you try to
What
sit
you
on
wait
the
pan?
roadside and
You're
man
not
out?
wait pan nothing. You're not wait pan nothing. Are you laugh?
From me see her come, me see problem. What is it?
From me see you sit down, that's a missing problem.
Why you come here so far? What happened?
What do you mean I come and suffer? Cherry, you gone back to your old dirty ways, haven't you?
Why you just call me?
Yeah, listen good.
Why you just call
Never
me?
call you dirty, I say you gone back to your old
No, why name why you just call me?
What happened to you?
Why name you just call me?
What do you?
A Cherry you just say?
Say the name Cherry again?
No call me no Cherry.
Who the name
That
Cherry?
name the dead and gone. Call me Pinky. What your problem, bro?
God. Come like that.
You come like a be a mad brother me have in our family.
No,
because
hold on. I same thing I wonder about you. You know, so I same thing you make me worried, you know, youth. You know, say you make me worried.
When me going back in
Look how you're going in a church nowadays. You make everybody in the community feel good when they see the Bible and the arm of God church. Everybody has say, yo, Cherry, change. Everybody has say, yo, Cherry, I'm proud of you. You don't remember? You don't remember? I look for you now. Yeah.
Let me ask you one question.
Hold on. You see you done smoking too.
Let me ask you one question.
You think me not see you dash a cigarette butt over there, Cherry? You think me blind?
Me? Let me ask you one question, bro. Let me just ask you one question. No matter of fact, I don't call you no bro, no mad man. Let me ask you one question.
No man, you can't call me anything you want to call me.
When they did that shot, brother, did they?
Birds are winning.
When they did that shot, brother, were you there?
When they did what? And that me a talk about, you know, me a talk about.
When you
Yo.
would try to kill brother, you did it. You did it.
No, but me a say. And that me a talk about you.
Listen to me.
You.
Listen to me.
When me sit down this a while ago, a smoke.
Listen to me.
What it gone in a church and left church now and change up.
Yeah, my father.
You know something I tell me brother know I go on.
Go on, so who business boy you on, brother? Go on. Must feel like me like you. From a longer time, I not like you. So go
you
on.
you not feel like your owner, brother?
Me no business.
Eh?
Blood or no
That's why
blood?
I can't rate you, you know. That's why man can't rate you.
Oh, so you feel so
I
me
don't
short
rate
of
you, but
food.
you wanna me not rate
Me
you.
short of sleep at night time and me short of food. And who you? You somebody? Me say if you are somebody. If me lose, I'm not wrong. But you see me other brother, if me lose Patrick, you actually even know. Just go on where you go call Patrick. You come
Oh,
and just be a
me
problem.
call him and I tell him man where you go out. Cause you come like say you lick up yourself like
Yeah,
me don't know where you smoke, you know.
Yeah, laddie.
Me I tell him.
Watch
Alright.
him. I must
All
change
right.
some good decent clothes in the evening and make you feel like you're somebody. You're somebody. Come down now, man.
It's alright, man. Yeah, brother, what go on? Yeah, you don't know say Cherry me I call about. You don't know say Cherry come like say sitting around with him, brother. Me come up on one place and see him smoking in my youth, change up, you know. Now you don't know church again, brother, as me I tell you, brother. Right now, brother, I'm worried about her in the youth. That's I'm worried, brother, believe me, man, because yo, my mind, you see Cherry's a serious girl, brother. And you know, say anything until he says, say, I'll do. I mean, I want him out and get himself, no problem, brother. Right now, I left him up the road up so. Sit down. I smoke, I don't know why I smoke, brother. What you say there? Alright, I'll come check around there. Because we need to talk, you know. Alright, I'll come now. Yeah. You see them, man. You know, pray that them place, I remember your officer, you know, man. You see, I garrison you there, you know, man. What go on?
Yo, let me tell you this. Anyway, me there, me well secure, you know. Because me have my thing for me, you know. You understand me?
Alright,
Me have my thing for me.
You
Yeah.
see it there?
No, you can't see it. I say me not bother show you because
Yeah,
I know
man.
you see
No, I
it.
do open there next still, man. I see it.
But just understand, say, talk where you talk first.
Yeah, man, I say, boy, I'm kind of worried about sister, you know, brother. She, to me, come like, I don't know if nobody I give no coke or nothing, bro. Because when I see my road, bro, sit down there, so. And in show where you must smoke, you look like I want a cigarette still. No?
Can you smoke again?
Yeah, again. As me I tell her while I go up on the phone, brethren, in a day, in no church again. Miss Joy, them and the whole of them up there, so we're so happy for him. I call me, I say, yo, want to Pinky?
So a phone call and call
I'm not talking even call him the Pinky, you know, Cherry. Because I'm content about calling him Pinky.
Alright.
Cherry.
Hear me I say right now, see? Where you been there all this time? I just because you hear bad news, you're alright.
No, but look at that, as bad as things be, you know, me and Master, me and Cherry not plan peas are lying in
Yeah,
brother,
but you know, you should plant no peas. But you want to plant the corn which part something go wrong.
Yeah, my sister, but as I say, no, I'm not rate her, but I'm not hate her.
Alright, I understand that. But the
You
thing
understand?
is this. You have to know, say, you know, make just bad news when you come around and all these things. You understand? Tell me something. You know, think about for one illegal gun like you. Me, because when you're young guy, I'll be a pion, you run on the house, you know.
Oh, I'm tell you, brother, man. And I don't something we are talking about. I say, oh, I'm tell you, brother.
Me ask you a
What kind of
question.
illegal gun you come ask about, brother?
Because I know, say, with your job, you can't get nothing for, you know, register and something. I remember some officer, you know. I'm in love with job, you know that.
So hold on. Me, there, as a brother. I will talk about with sister. And the reach of me having illegal gun.
No, me don't know nothing what go on there in a long time.
No, but
you understand? And you just found now, and yeah, all right. Let's talk about Cherry.
But you don't know me as my man, brother. You feel a way now, yo.
You when you say Cherry a bus gun?
Cherry.
Cherry a bus gun. And what me have to do now is try to ignore it right now because arrest her. Me I tell you, I bring her in. And I know say me bring her in right now, me get more ratings for my
thing. But Cherry bad, but you know bus no gun.
That is it.
I tell her.
Alright, that is it. Alright, listen me I say to you.
Me no face her.
Make sure say you not bus no gun because you have it look as Cherry, you know.
So that's why you ask me.
You understand? Because you're man, you know.
Look at them, man. Me not do them things, brother, man. Just believe me, man.
What you need to do is just try to mend things with Cherry differently.
You
know, come down as fear, yeah, you're older than she, but you're younger than me. And you can step certain things like that. You can't do that, man.
That nah go easy, brother. I tell you, cause enough time I try to up back things with Cherry, and Cherry just dash back in my face, brother. You remember the time Cherry went up at Auntie Xavier shop?
Yeah.
And me I come from work and go up there. And see sit down around the table and eating the food. And everybody else eat their food at the restaurant. What me did do?
Check up her food and your mouth some.
No, she never did eat no food.
And that she tell me, say that start the whole thing.
Wicked.
So alright, so how you go then?
I buy a food for her brother in 1 Malta. And give her brother on the day the 25th of March. I not forget. And you know what girl do? Throw a food in my face, brother, and broke your Malta, brother.
Well, if
so what me do?
You have to know, say I just so you go.
So I'm not chiming up things.
But listen, on a plan piece. And you have to find a way how to make she forgive you. You hear me I say to you?
Yeah.
But you are going still. I tell you, there's nothing we can do right. All you have to do is just keep her in your prayers and make sure she should get back to which part she went there. You understand? Which is back at church. That's all I can tell you. Because right now, me not working. Then put me up on suspension right now because of circumstances. No, if Cherry chat too much, he must tell you. So then shoot off of me and then shot me. But a good thing say just grange. Yes. Some things say them things here come talk about. And say how me I doing them something. You know come talk about that kind of stuff.
So you get shot?
Right, that's the man. Want look at hoodlum?
Blouse and skirt out.
Yeah, that's me I talk about.
That's how you
Hey! You know about that. You know about that?
No, youth.
Yeah,
about that, man. But but you see how you are next one thing, youth. Because them things up to you in a call you little brother, youth. You see your youth?
My number is always the same. You change phone like you're a call center you have.
You know the reason I change phone? You rare come do. Remember water sports me do, brother. And sometimes I dip on a boat and salt water flash up on the phone and something and mash them up, brother. Well, I can't work you now. You can't afford to work with you know.
No, so me alright. Depends good time. Things are alright. Because I don't want to forward run which part you there. And then me I hear the police are look for me.
No.
Because I know say your thing is always not legal.
No, the boat then license we have with JTB and everything, brother.
May God go with you.
So how Shanti I go eat? How many days I go eat?
Well, me them eat. But one day, if them say if come for you, you know, sir.
Brother, yo,
hey. If them say one day me fi come for you, you know, me I got to come for you. And after you in a jail now, me can sell, me can counsel you or try help you. After that.
Yeah, I don't know what to do for my brother and sister them, but me I'm moving.
No, but if you take away, that's where you always move.
You will tell me. You will tell me how you want me to tell you now. Two different you talk about work with chop and pit out like a bug gum.
Have a good day, but just don't make your name call.
You there right now?
Me not there right now.
I'll let my name call. You can't lock me up.
Don't worry about that.
Yo, listen me I say, yeah, man. Yo, come like a woman on the little late. Me know where mommy get to me from, no, brother, yo.
You don't worry about that. Just make sure your name call, that's all.
You alright, man. Come like a woman. You know what I'm doing.
Yeah, Cherry just not know nothing about that.
Where you come from?
I go find night town. Tired? Me dey go fully water. Come know say I love drink water.
So how you say you fully water and the water empty?
It place lock.
So you say place locked so long? Eh?
We drive hard forget to come up here and I walk. Me walk, you know.
Are you choose to walk, you know, and me say fi walk?
I fi save money.
I fi save which money? Eh? Save money and look on you. Me tell you so me get backside lay off. And I perfect time for you gonna do your hair and all these things. Eh?
So what if me do me hair? We want me to sit down and look ragamuffin all the day of my life? I say what me look?
Me never said that, but you gonna buy a wig, you gonna do your yai, all these things. Eh? How you try to look attention?
Me not
Eh?
look no attention from nobody.
When me say I look no
You know
attention
me
for
look good for
me not say if it look good for me, but me not understand why I want. You pick a perfect time as me get lay off some money get low, then you go in the high life. Eh?
Me not live no high life. Me just feel like me want to look good. So what if me look good?
You come like you know hear me I say me never have a problem with you looking good, man. But you have to understand that there's a proper time for these things.
When
Eh?
I right time? When I right
When
time?
money there?
Some money not there.
No money not there. No money now come. You work?
No, me not
So
work.
how? So
But you have
how?
money.
Who
have money.
who have money?
You.
You go and watch my money. That's all you do. A little bit of money I have to take care. What if I get back no work? Right.
You get back work. What I mean by you one of the best Rasta police ever did it. So you will get back work.
You see me say fi stop the Rasta police. Me say fi stop coming on Rasta police.
Anyway, you could have swear me see one of your brother them in the town where you show me for your phone.
Me show up on my phone. Are you looking at my phone and see some people and you I have to tell some my family them because we are going like it ain't no sense. Eh?
Yeah, me could have swear me see him for true.
See who? One brown youth?
Yeah.
I'm a brother.
And your brother?
But me not trust him. I'm going to tell him, I want him and tell him, say, if any day they call him name down there, me have to arrest him.
Because say you leave, so you don't have no talking of that again.
What do you mean say me don't talk? Me still have a radio.
Where do you do radio?
What do you mean, like car? We must have a police vehicle, you know. And just because me undercover, then give me a vehicle and give me all these things.
So like how they leave, they're not going to take it from you.
Them not take it from me because me not turn in. 2 days ago, boss check me and tell me, say me lay low. He go give me suspension 2 weeks. But when them say 2 weeks, it can be 4 or 5 because the system is very slow.
Yeah, one of the best. So I don't think them only have for long still.
Right now,
So what happened to you?
hey, that's easy, man. I don't upon that. Last time I touch you, and you say you want to sleep, you want to catch up, you want 30 more minutes sleep.
Me tired.
Tired of what? Tired of sleep in the house? Eh?
Me did have a whole heap of things I do yesterday.
Like what?
I want to up and down. I go do me hair and my eye and something.
That up and down for you, for me? Or for your house? Or for what? We have to run.
The house and something too.
Yo.
So what?
I feel like I go check go down with my people in place, go get them a check, you know.
Round there so safe for you. Remember, see around there so you get shot the last time.
And around this me I get chat too much. I be a chat if you listen. Everything, you just a pint and I take over conversation like you know what I want. I don't have my family in place. I don't the chief come check me. Yes, and nobody knows so we there so. I'm really want to left on you so.
That not safe and better for we.
Better for we. And I think we send you up to you know. And make it take a time off. Hold on. Last night, me see one phone call coming on your phone. You and that boy still a link?
Me and the boy not link.
You and that boy Bad Goat still a link? Yes or no?
No, me and him not.
Look in my face and me ask you a question. You and Bad Goat is still in contact?
No, me and him never in a contact in our first place.
Just make sure, that's all me say. Because I don't understand why is it that you go give out a number and people will call you. Eh? Them always say, you know, it's not the man is the problem, you know, it's the woman. Because if a man can get close to a woman and I talk and I have a kind of conversation, she's not a woman.
Me and him don't talk on the phone.
That's one thing I tell you, say. No make me feel like say something go wrong.
Nothing wrong.
You understand? Because really and truly right now, you shot the man and you put me in a problem, you know. So right now,
Did I try to save your life? You know, so you could have dead though.
yeah, me could have bet, but based on what I go on now, it come and lose my life because I lose my work. And my work is very important.
To save your life, me.
So right now, you know, I don't know, and you have plan for my money. My money me work so hard pan.
What do you mean me a plan for your money?
My money me work so hard
Plan
pan.
for your money, but what if me look good? Me, for you come down here, you ever do me here? No. And the one time me do me here, you have problem.
Listen to me. When you come down here, your hair was natural and wonderful. But because you're so damn lazy, your natural hair is tough up like a some rock stone, you can't comb out it. So it start drop off. Am I fault?
Not your fault.
When me meet you in a natural hair. No, you have come put on wig. Eh?
You want me to take off a wig?
You see that I may talk about, you know. You spend so much money and you're willing to just take off a wig so fast. Like in import, like money important. So you won't ask me before you do it if you have a problem with it?
So me if you ask you.
Oh, you mean if
why me if you ask you to do me?
and my money and a fear.
When you saga me I say for me and not for you. Eh? Answer a question. You can't answer no. Answer no?
It's not a matter of answer, you know. What me want to say, me no bother want to say. Because me know you have that against me for the rest of your life.
Say it then.
So better me shut my mouth.
Say what you have to say.
You understand me I say?
Say what
So
you
don't
have
go on hype and go on like say, your mouth. Let me tell you, you chat too much, you know. You chat too much.
Mouth make fit chatter if your mouth lock up we stink.
Well, me not keep it that one. Well, basically, it better when keep your mouth shut because it's still you know what?
So what you do that?
Me left it alone.
You know, so I feel like I lick off your body.
Who you think you talk to?
You me attack.
And me attack to? When me say, hey,
And this year try
you
this.
call your mother and tell him, say, because right now, I call him, blow him phone, man. Eh? You make things just set away right now in a problem and you just make more problem upon problem.
And you want more problem for a problem. Because me do me here, you have a problem.
Alright, you wait, you know.
What?
Just take time, walk one.
Me not go nowhere, you know. Because last time I run me out of your car, then you said when I go come back to you. So why sense?
Me never come back to you.
You want me go here now and then, and you said and go drive on the whole community and look for me.
Me drive on which community? I burn up my gas.
You almost burn out the last time, remember?
Yeah. But this a time, yeah? You can have a wonderful what you call it, walk around this place. Me, this a boy, yeah? Me have too much problem for me head. Remember me tell you that. Take a walk again, man.
Walk. Me right and so me a turn with you.
Yo, ease up, no man. Me don't like the smell of that. How long you say you're here?
From last week.
And smell sorry? Eh? Nah, man.
Man, you lock see and so me. You try to face this every day.
Who is a call me hang up?
And go up and no woman a call your phone. That's all me have to say to you.
Yes, sister. Yeah, man, I know send down, man. What? Cherry, listen to me, I say, man. You can't do certain. Alright, cool. If I that to say, yeah. I'm soon forward. Me gonna link up, my sister.
Me a come.
You not come nowhere.
Why me now?
You not come
Me dey
nowhere.
come. Every time me I go link up with sister, you know, come.
You think Cherry like you?
Me not like Cherry neither.
So where you come for then?
Come on, me want drive out.
Drive out where?
Me want go with you.
You're too tormented.
How me torment? So you want go somewhere with me, man?
Yo, you hear me?
Me a come.
Come where? I said, don't come, man. One time, man, and go back in the house and relax yourself, man.
Up in the car.
One to your lady.
You not tell us me a come. If you say I drop me, man. Start the car. Your family then fi accept me.
I hope Cherokee are easy.
You don't know how me glad to see you. Because I've been looking for you. Mommy yes, I go on up a country. Me say go on a country.
One heap of pasta, me I nearly die.
I nearly die. Please to tell me the information what go on because probably me I hear false information.
Knowing me used to do some things, illegal things.
Right.
Police caught up on me, I end up get warrant for me. Me end up thief back the warrant. And thing. Anyways. Me are going to details, girl.
What are you going to details, man? Yeah, take
so,
so long.
So the police come on me yard now. Him and TB. You remember TB?
Yeah. Man, I get to the point, man.
I do, girl. Me have to explain so you can understand.
Okay.
Him and TB must have it out and he end up shot TB and TB decides say I go back for him. In which we tell him say no, don't do it. Anyways, TB go behind back, go after him, go to the man yard. They end up kill him. So TB dead.
Me hear that too.
Yeah. The man, that are the policeman, him get shot too. But he get shot in the foot. So the policeman's sister and his niece come on my yard now. Come threaten me. So I say, alright, me not take that threat there so light. So you see the same gun what TB did have? Me use it and go at the woman yard.
Yes. And you gonna go do? Make a fool of yourself?
You know? The woman drag on out of me, shot at a lucky thing. Me coulda jump, girl. Me have to jump the blow wall fence.
Manda,
jump the
you hear what you tell me say?
You say if you tell you in details and
no,
that me I do.
No, Manda. You tell me say somebody bust shot off of you and you jump fence and come down here, so? All your brother,
I'm a brother, can't
no. Him at the next papi show. And whenever me see me and him need to have a talk. Or if you come like say you want to put bad name on the family, where you they run a go? Where you run go, Manda? Manda,
me I run and
pick up, listen to me, don't worry about your brother. Pick up yourself and get one bag and go back a country. Go defend yourself, because you just run come here like say you're idiot. You think nobody can make me jump no fence or no wall or no railing? You think nobody can make me jump, Manda? If me jump, that somebody they fly, can me they pitch him over. You understand what I say? You pick up yourself, come down here, son. Where come here, come down, Manda?
You think me the well come down here, son?
No,
I'm a brother jam me from the house.
No, Manda. Manda, do to me. Pack up yourself, pan the next bus, and go back a country. Come know where you come at town, can do. Where you come back, can do? If it make people feel like say them better than you, eh? You know your family name. You want to destroy the family name with a little poor self, you got to jump fence. Who does jump, Manda?
Oh, somebody if you turn up and take a shot.
Manda, when you go over people, Manda, you should see your strap.
Me didn't have the gun.
Manda, and a gun alone you need. You need details. You need to know what they in there. What time them asleep. What time them wake up. What time them brush their teeth. Where them a go. Where they eat and where they sleep. Everything you want to know. Them family member. You need background. Details. You think I'm going to alone do this? You have to be smart, man. You know, use your brain. You pack up, come here, come hide. I beg you to pack up and go back up. Pack up and go back up, man. You know how much sense, man. Pack up and go up. And if you pack up and go up, man.
Yeah, me know how much sense.
Yes.
We them out half of my senses.
And that's for true. And if you say your head so big, Manda, you're not using it. Put your head to great use.
Me big head here? Oh.
Eh? You go put up, just take up gun for go over there?
Hello! I'm roadside with the pan.
Manda.
Talk out my business, so.
I mean, run them a road, yeah. Them a road and run me. Like how you go up, say, girl, make you run like you're an idiot. I mean, run here, so me talk anything what me want to talk. And nobody can make me from chat. Me chat anything. Me big, bad, and brave. Me run yes, so yes, and run me. You understand?
How you did go out you see me on top?
I up the road, me da go. But deal with that business. I shall cry, and come back.
And
like
just
you.
see me and this if you stop and lecture me.
Yes, because me I hear rumors. Say we family not bad again. We family water out, wash out, steal out. So when they felt that who are the cause that are you? Make uptown people I can run down, come back and say, hello, I beg you to run, go on back up. I beg you to go on back. Manda, go on back me and one Manda. Don't make me wake up a morning and hear see you still there. I know what to. There's a thing about it. Because you don't have no sense, me I go show you how you run things. Me they come down there with you. We they go down there. So make me go pack me back. Come on, go that way. Go that way, man. You know, no sense.
know where
I'm
you go.
hungry.
Girl, right now, I'm not hungry now. Cause everything got stop closing off my brain.
Well, you go and thump and watch me eat then, cause me hungry. That me I tell you is like this. Say me hungry. Forward. Sir!
Yeah, man, yeah.
What have in there?
Fried chicken and brown stew.
Wait to have fried chicken. Boy, you know, look how far me I come from. You not hungry?
You want pepper and ketchup?
Yeah. You want pepper and ketchup?
No, you want to eat the food, girl.
Oh. I don't want none. Only God knows how you're stupid in life. Thank you.
Welcome.
I think I did my food, but I use food. What if you have a conversation? What if you talk?
Are you here with your pan?
Watch me, just watch me. Watch me, go on, watch me. Go on, man, go on. Alright. Hold me back, I like you not hungry. Hold that. So
your bag can't go, girl.
What's your girl then? So what you say? Why the girl there? What you say? Shoot off fire or you shoot off her?
She don't live far from you, so you know.
She live far from you, so? Okay,
She live far from you, so.
She live far from you, so?
You just eat so. No conversation, they say you. Bye. Alright, eat your food,
Yeah, listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Let me tell you this. Let me come right up. We come down upon a mission. I say mission, I mean mission. You understand me I say? We don't talk missionary in a bed. Mission. We come here for the girl. Because we need to deal with that girl there. You understand me I say?
So what you plan to do?
We don't plan to do. We are going to shoot off the back of that girl there. We are going for her. I cannot understand how she make Tibina there right now. My brother-in-law.
I understand that part there.
I understand that. The head now work. We just have a big for no reason at all.
I know that it look like because we no burn no weed from when. My brain kinda, you know.
So that's a question now. What she you know what she sleep and she eat. Where they going there?
No worry yourself, Vokon. Me have links. We can get that.
Remember say we not too trust the link thing, you know. We not too trust the link thing. So
stop worry yourself, like me say me have that covered.
If you didn't have it covered, you would run come down the yard. You would run come down there.
Like I said, I don't run come down there. My brother draw me out of the house. Because this I said I'm not coming, but him pull me out. So what I want to do? Plus my brother, we can't manage him.
You have your own mindset. You have a mindset of your own. Well, you know sense.
Eat the food, because you're hungry. Eat the food.
You sure say you don't want any time to eat the food?
Me look like I'm hungry.
Hungry, mark
by
your face.
Hurry up and move from your stuff.
Me not move it. Me not eat.
A girl could never mission to come down your supper. And I just sit down timely like say you don't have nowhere to go.
So me go for a mission. Me belly is full. So me for run, me have strength to run. Look for me.
So you plan to run? Are you so saying no me?
Me must say me come down and me not no strap for me.
A strap you worry about?
Me say no sense, you know, me can't rely on you. You can't shame for the family, Manda. You make girl make it run and a jump. You idiot? Are you an idiot?
Let me ask you a question.
Ask the question, Manda.
If you go to somebody's yard, right? And the back gonna offer you and start bust shot, you gotta turn up and take a bullet. If me did turn up, if me did turn up and take a bullet, you think me that there right now?
Manda.
I wouldn't be here.
Me that
you could have get a bullet in my head.
You should have get it in the head, Manda.
No,
Manda. You see if I didn't mean, Manda? You say me chuck over anyway you chuck over. I pop me, I pop out my gun, Manda. Come in and run from nobody, Manda. Anyway, me go, Manda. You must have a strap, Manda. Who teach you? Who teach you?
So who tell you say me never have strap on me?
So where you run for them, Manda?
You not get what me.
Yes, they show me hungry. Yes, they show me hungry.
Yeah, eat the food.
Eat the food. Box off your head, please.
Cause you come like a tree, you're hungry and now gather with me and say up your soul. Eat the food.
No, man.
When you're full of belly, me talk to you. They can't talk to you, right?
Appetite. Me nobody want food, man. You just sit in stomach now, man. You is a coward, man.
You see why me can't talk to you, my brother talk to my brother? Me can't talk to you, you know, me can't deal with you, you know.
But know yourself. Me I go take charge of what they go on. Me in charge now. Not your brother, not you, but me in charge. Me go show you how you run things. You understand? Me I go show you how you do things. Must you a real bad woman.
Girl, guess who me see in my town? Roger, your uncle. Me say, you want to see all the man are gone with me. I sit down and I relax, you know. The man talk about, me just see you dash for a cigarette. That's what kind of cigarette. And the man start take me on like I'm a father. I can't talk about them, there's something they are going with. That's what me are going with. Sometimes I feel like my jacket.
Come on! Don't move. What's your name?
My name is Sister Cherry. I go to church and all these things. I'm a decent young lady.
You think me don't know about you? Are you there around here bust up people shot them out half of people?
Me!
What's your name?
Murder!
Yo!
Father God!
Where Patrick there? Where Patrick there?
He's not there.
What do you mean you're not there? Go over there, sir. They say go over there, sir. Go over there, sir. Go over there, sir.
I'm gonna come back today. I want to ask you one question. What me do for you coming to my yard and I'll reach in a house? What me do? What me have for you? Because the last time I check, you can't wear drawers. Brazier. So what me do?
You shoot off Amanda. One lady when me hear say you bust shot off her.
Me?
You know about the drug trafficking, me know about it.
Jesus, I see her nose. I don't do nothing like that. Me?
Auntie.
What?
You.
Auntie. A
You.
church trafficking him talk about. You got church from
I must check. Me?
Me don't know what you talk about.
You should have in a school, you know.
You should have there work.
A cop say fi go, you know.
Go send your colleagues, them are cops. Like you know, nothing good for do. How are you, man?
Me say you're full of mouth.
Okay, because like you
I
didn't
make
want
sure
me
say, I make sure say you get sent up.
And I work this, and I know papers.
Listen.
And
Make me
I
deal
know
with it.
papers. No,
Sure.
make me angry, man.
Make me deal with
You
it.
give me one healthy push.
Hello.
Anyway, we're going to get the wrong information.
Yeah, man, alright.
Listen to me. Soji, anywhere you go and get the wrong information from, carry back, go there and ask them what them do too. No, say no more, me not do no. I mean, I know where they talk
Sleep
about.
on the same side where you sleep on last night.
Right,
Here.
you want me just
I shall, because God will go with me. I should have my Bible for just read one psalm for you and lick up on your forehead.
Yes, Soji.
Yes, Sister Cherry. Huh? You plan to come back into the church? Oh, really? That's good. That's wonderful, man. That's wonderful. The Lord is working, man. So I guess I will be seeing you this Sunday at church, right? Okay, Sister Cherry. And please do remember to bring your offering, because without the offering, the church cannot run. Okay. And I have some things in the barrel for you too. You don't worry. It's the only thing that yes. Straight from Canada. All right, no problem. Thank you, God. You're opening the eye.
Hello. Yeah, say. Amanda, come back down. Oh yeah. When? Today. Oh yeah, say to me. They no me care up Amanda. Someone look back down here. And he knows saying life in a danger. And people are fighting to kill him. Alright, here we go on. I'm on a mission right now. Yo, I can't believe that Amanda really come back down. Up to now, and he knows, see how, right now, I'm pissed off. Right now, I'm hungry, I tell you. Right now, I can't believe that I care of Amanda and he really come back down. Eh? And he knows that man after him to kill him. Alright, here we go on. I want mission me depend, but I go look for him. Right now, I'm upset. I'm upset right now. Alright, I go deal with that. I go see if I can find. Yeah, man. Alright. Wow. Tell it up, the little girl, you go until they kill him.
So you care your handbag back on your fa? Where you go with the handbag? How you look for?
I must check the place, cause you know, when you have
So
police,
how long you take to come? Anybody did the year gone already?
So can I?
Why you carry your handbag? Me tell you say me want to talk to you, particularly. You me want to talk. You carry this.
Alright, I tell you. Alright, here we are going on. Let me just start right for a second.
move. Alright, that's what me a turn up. If me in a family, me in a family.
I know my family in a mama. You in the family where they in the pants. No my family.
Alright.
Me in a family pants. Go turn up also.
I can't wait for you 2 days then expire. Me just want you remove yourself.
They expire long time.
Mama, they no expire.
Yeah, no, you go please the uncle. Are you
Mama,
go please him?
Mama, me call me uncle to tell him something. When they come like you, they watch.
Yeah, me and bodyguard. Me have to watch him.
Put a camera upon him. You
No
have
worry
to
about
come.
that, me a camera.
Me not like
see
see
you.
you.
Big, you see me
Me not like see you. Me not tell no lie. If you have camera, you cap a collar bad.
Thank you very much.
You know, me call him to
Your
tell you
uncle
something
love
and
you.
you dey carry handbag. You not put her in a one rubbish pan. Me can't bother with that.
Yeah, so you just go lean down this and not say nothing.
Yeah, no wife material,
Mama.
Mama.
And make your niece there so disrespect me.
Mama, you not have a ring, so you can't do nothing.
No worry about that. That bother you?
Ma, I want to talk to my uncle. Is that
I'm
you
not
go?
move. You go move me?
You know no
You do
shame.
something about it? No. My shame tree chop down long time. Me nah move.
Alright, Patrick, let me tell you what I want to tell you.
A long time I did for start that.
Uncle Patrick, let me tell you what I want to tell you. Me nobody want to tell you nothing, get yard. Me nobody want to tell you nothing, get yard. Can come with this big old handbag. She bigger than the one them.
You see one I raise? You see it? She
Mama,
not
me
move
done gone
about
through
her.
the gate, you can't hold me back. Me done gone through the gate, me say. Me nobody want to tell you nothing. Your sister gone to church, gone beg the pastor pray for her. You know why? Because soldier come here and look for you now.
What?
Yes, I me call if you tell you, but me nobody want to tell you, me no business about you. Make your handbag and your bodyguard response for your life. You not come out of me yard.
My response for your life, come here, let's save him.
Then mama go and go save him now. You think a little push man push me this morning, yes, sir. I said then come for you.
For me?
Yes, for you.
For do what?
I could something good. As him have a me say, you see when me see you got me the one piece up myself, but me I say no, me a bad girl. So me just pissing at the underwear and never make you run that shot.
Which part Cherry then?
She gone beg the pastor to pray for her. You don't understand?
Sorry, soldier, look for you.
Me not talk to you, mama.
Mama, me not talk to you now. Me not ask you one
Why
question.
me not go do this with her? You see next time they come alone. Because if you carry her, they throw some hot piece for her until I never see her.
You want to try that? No, you're not a boy.
Hey, Patrick. Hey, you see next time you carry her, come here. Me they wet up you and she. You feel like you get no wet yet? Imagine soldier they look for me and be audacity if call you and tell you say me want come tell you something. And you carry a little handbag come here. But you look like supermarket, wholesale, a church, yeah? What she got? Where you carry a handbag come here for?
Listen to me, I say. You get out of hand, you know, Shanice. You get out of hand.
Listen to me, you see, once
me
go through the gate, you can't tie me back. It's too late.
Me is a police officer by law.
And a soldier come and fear from law.
Yeah, but if you continue like that, me have to go send you to cops because you can't. Listen, you're not going to school. And you're supposed to be at school right now.
And if you continue like that, me wait you out to the soldier them. You feel like you're going to send me to no cops?
So, alright.
If me a go cops, you're going to be behind bars.
Listen, me, I say. So, you mean if you tell me, say, one soldier come here for me?
Yes.
And come look for me and come and fear you
and push me down.
So that means if man still.
All him tell me see a cops me fi go through now. You come like a cops me need to go for through.
No, because you know understand if you have manners, relax yourself.
Manners go which far manners come from. Me call you, me name call no handbag. You see she come here come beat me.
Alright, hear me I say. You need to understand, say. Me thank you for giving me the information, but you have to go cool down at some point.
Right now,
you can't go on so hot.
Right now, I want to strap myself.
Yeah, they know.
Cause me tell you, brother, some man come.
Shanice.
So when the bus off me and me and Ted.
Shanice, you're my
no,
niece.
Me need to
Shanice, you're my niece. I love you, but if you ever think you're bad, me left you right there, son. Yeah? Me talk to you, me love you, my niece.
If you not give me a strap, me I get it one way or another. Feel like me a kuno muno.
Hello. Yeah, more want to check something for me. My number. Eight 334788889. Yeah, man. Urgent. Yeah, man.
Yo, listen to me. You there, myself come up on a mission. Every time I feel put in it, cause through your head big, you think you will know all of the information. But as me I say, you say a link ya, you know much call me if you make. So she get a one link ya up here so you better depend pint. You ready everything?
Right now, my yard, me want to go back, you know.
We come up here on a mission, you talk about yard. Up here on a mission. You hold all my bag too. Hold me bag. Hold me bag. Hold me bag. My back hurt me. From man in a car. Say, can you make come up at the place, yeah? A badness with a pan. Me nah make nobody make me run like how me say you say you run.
Me never say me run.
Hello, you tell me say you jump. And that you tell me say you do. And nobody nah make me jump. So me get right now why you strap me want. And we are gonna figure out where they there. And we are gonna go for them.
What we are do yourself?
Jesus
who we are we
Christ,
pan?
tell us sense, you know. Me and wait pan one charge if you come. So me have strap. You think me come like you when you got period and I have no strap? Good. So as me say what them we are wait pan man. You just me can't take your style sometime.
So why the he or the she will take so long to come?
Patient. Have patience. And that's why you have to jump. You never sit and think about where you are going to do. Me ask you a question, you know where they live?
Of course me know where they live.
You know what time them I go eat? What time them I go sleep? You know what I mean something?
No, me don't know where part they live.
And that's where Daffy jump can have no sense. I'm tired to tell you, Amanda. A badness we say. You hear me say? Badness. You get what me say? What do you? That's how Jesus Christ. You see Jesus Christ, yes sir? You see Jesus Christ, yes sir?
We there stuff over 1 hour. I turn up a look. What we are doing? I try look cute?
No, we not try look cute. We are sit down, we talk about where we pan the person if the firearm come. How for running palm and I have nothing. So the money if you have sense, you know. You have sense?
No, me not know.
You just stupid man. We just say we come up on a crime. We come up to mash something. You ready? You don't ever have nothing for yourself.
You can't talk, rub it that in the head, you know.
If you rub it in your head. Come if you in your head, you don't know the last time if you don't run. All your brother. All him. He my next one. You think nobody can make me run go nowhere? You think nobody can pack up me and send me go nowhere? Me a bad girl, Manda. Bad girl. You hear me say? Me bad. Nobody
Make sure you're bad and not only this you have.
Hello. And no more chat me deal with. Me a bad girl.
Come take back your bag, kai heavy. Hold this.
Manda, hold the bag, Manda.
You're bright. You're too bright,
you know,
man.
sometimes I say you rank yourself with me. You rank yourself with me.
Your bag heavy, miss.
Hello. The time you face with me, have energy for the girl them where you go to. Have energy for them. Oh. Me want a bag.
We're still waiting. I can't see anybody approaching us. What we are waiting for? Standing right here, doing nothing.
We are weird.
Okay. We are weird.
Family!
What are you doing now?
And she came down here.
How she fi carry down here?
Me never well want to come down here and she attack me and something. Follow her.
Don't tell her family.
Yo.
Family, I lie him at hell. And she pack up me and force me to come down here.
Shut up, man. Shut up. You call me. You tell me say your life in a danger, I come for you one day. And I carry you back. Man shoot off for woman shoot off for you.
Man shoot off for you? They shoot off for you?
Hello. Me not talk to you.
You not talk to me?
Shut up, silent.
Oh, silent.
Warm to you.
Come to me. She forced me to come up here and I want to go back home now. Me forced me to come up here, Kayla? Yeah.
Amanda, me I talk to you. Amanda, you know me stay already. Amanda, you're not supposed to do right or so. Amanda, you know say.
She can come down here.
Come tell her for me, girl. Me no bring her come down here.
Amanda, are you me I talk to? Look
Brother,
for look for me.
brother.
Look, look in my face when me I talk to you. Look for me. You call me and tell me your life in a danger. Me come for you, me carry you up. And you come back down and you know your life in a danger. Woman shoot off for you. And you take your cousin. Carry come down with in a fire, in a danger.
I say you wicked.
Me?
You wicked bad.
Oh, so you believe she over me?
And you carry him down here.
I know me, carry her down here. And she...
Family, true. And she can come into
Shut up! And she forced me to come down here.
Don't tell a lie on me, Amanda. Don't tell those lies on me,
You know...
Amanda. I'm innocent. Me innocent.
Shut up! You know what me go through to find you? I chuck me off to call him to chuck you down. You know, a 6 mile me walk. I search for you. 6 mile. It take me 5 hours. Take me 5 hours. Hear me I say now.
What am I doing in life?
Don't me come front end on the bus, you know.
Eh?
10, 9, 8, 7.
Hello.
Who this?
I feel your boy, man. Me there place here something for meet you.
Which place you talk about?
The place here something for meet you.
PlayStation?
Me have a thing for me, you know, for you.
Which thing? Interview thing?
A joking thing on the pan, man.
No. You got to think you got the wrong number. Come on, blast it for me. You have the wrong number. Go place. You're right.
Girl, I take me for joke, kind of, man.
Trick. How many years say I go on with that?
Now we are dealing with.
Tell me nothing. Of course we know how we are dealing with.
I mean really come as a fa?
Patrick, you know what I go on, man. We get some intel about you. So no come play innocent and go on like say innocent.
What do you mean no play innocent? You know we are deal with, me say it? You know we are deal with?
Me see it say, you you join the force, not to protect the citizens of Jamaica. You join if you protect criminals like yourself.
Who you call criminal? You know me? Me a police officer. You know.
Here what
and
go.
I'm going to suit
Here
up
what
so you
go.
know.
Here what go. Here what go. Me no come down your feet.
You feel powerful? Eh?
Yo, easy yourself, man.
Let me say easy myself. We have to easy myself.
Me no afraid to put one in your head, you know.
We put...
Hear me say, man. Easy. Yo, hear me say no. Ease yourself, man. Relax.
Are your time for shine?
Yo, hear me say, man. Hear me say.
Enjoy yourself.
We know about you, you know. We know about you, you know.
No, but
me know say
what?
you're on suspend right now, you know. Me know about you, you know. Them put you on suspend.
Who tell you that?
What?
Who tell you that?
Anyway, hear me say. You see, next time me come back down here, we just want Patrick. Just want the Patrick come, even the P come up in our system. That's the first letter come up in our system.
So hold on.
We just want your name call again.
For me?
Just make your name call one more time in the system.
So why you so defensive towards me, like something connected to you, like?
You see when you mess with the blood, my sister. Me know what going on with my sister. You kill Tibi, you know. Me know what going on, you know. And you kill Tibi. Don't go on about me. But here what go on. You see, as me say, if the first letter in your name come up in the system again, I go the whole army I come for you.
You done?
Alright, that's it, you know.
You done?
I hate that, me done, you know. I hate that.
Chief. More know something, Chief. Yeah, me know I'm still upon suspension, Chief. I don't call about nothing like that, Chief. But me I say, one soldier youth come, basically stick me up with gun. One big old long gun to you know. No, man, him alone a walk. So, me don't understand. So, me name in a system like some of the wrongdoings. Yes, yeah, well, me not talk about that case there. But Chief, I must say that me do it, you know. Yes, Chief. All right, Chief. Chief might have to go ask if we can't get back a firearm, you know, if I just protect myself, you know. No, man, I keep it safe, man, but, you know, yes, Chief. One little gun? Well, all right. All right, respect, Chief. Yes, Chief. So now nobody want the food. A girl there, man.
So me here. Oh God. Boy. How are you?
I don't think it's a workout.
You come back
I
with
think
this
it's a workout.
again.
No, I don't think it's a workout. The reason why I say that now is because you disrespect my family. You see, you go buy ice cream, buy one ice cream. Eh?
No. Me a disrespect your family. Want when your family a disrespect me. You stand up there so today, you know, and have your niece a disrespect me, you know. And you not say nothing, you know. And as me put your niece in her place, you want to tell me say this not gonna work out?
When you say put in a place, what you mean?
That's why
They
no
put your
woman
slippers
not
in
stay with you. No woman not stay with you because your niece ever disrespect them or your family ever do something like that to them. That's why you are gonna be lonely.
You don't chat?
Me don't chat.
Because you just a chat,
So me
go long.
chat.
Me
Make
not
fi
sit.
chat. More make fi chat.
as I tell you already, I don't think this will work out because you know respect me enough to calm down your damn self. You don't respect me enough. So me I say, since you don't respect me enough, just make a thing go on. You understand me I say? Me I give you fear and you gun and go up on your yard.
Me not go nowhere.
You hear me say?
Take no fear from you.
Take your fear
and you come
and
on
gun
my
on your
yard.
yard.
And you come on my place.
So what that supposed to mean?
Are you supposed to bring me back? Me not supposed to taxi.
Me supposed to bring you back.
Yes.
Me not bring you back. I'm not go up a yard.
You not bring me back.
And you gonna make the people them either them backside same thing there. Go do me sitting in a black room. Me say a one way in, one way out, you know. So me not depend that for go Augustown. Me not go Augustown. Me not go Augustown. Awa.
You not bring me back.
Me not bring you back. Awa.
You not bring me back. Me ask you again. You not bring me back.
I second time you try one stone like this, you know. I second time you try one stone.
I'm a save your life once.
Give me my gun.
You bring me back.
Give me my gun.
Yeah, bring me back.
What means if I bring it back?
Hey.
Me, I go bring it back because
Why?
you see because this,
you
you know.
put one in your foot, you know. Answer a question. You go bring me back? Yes or no?
Them a toxic relationship. You feel say if you continue. This is a and if I think about to give a chance, me not give no chance. Yes,
you know
I say.
Me
done. Me done. And you shot me. You shot me
again. To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On the journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time. One friend at a time. Yeah, I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool.
Hey, see, lately I found out as long as your heart is strong, then you will carry on. You belong. You belong. I'll be fine. Yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me.
Lost some time with friends of mine in the name of loyalty.